That's when you a real nigga. It's been like a full-time job not to kill niggas. Brody want me out the car. I be trying to drill with him. They hit my cousin 5 times. I pray to God he's still with us. I pray to God he's still with us. I'm somewhere in my real feelings. Make up lies, 1,000 rumors about me, they gon' still feel us. I'm watching guys that was knocking over hoes just to chill with us. Talking like they real niggas. And they dead crack. Once you niggas go against the game, you out. Where that? Million on million. I wear that, I bust some niggas down when they went home and didn't share that. I already had to sell crack to get some Air Max. Graveyard shipping with this good, he felt like Fairfax. Backdoor thing now, you gotta be aware that he bragging about
one team I got you.
I was taught, locking with your guys and don't never cross. They don't wanna grind and wonder why they never turn the boss. I got like 1,000 wins, only got a couple loss. Oops, I mean a couple less. Niggas ain't gonna never catch Chevy with the double S. Now we stepping double R. I know niggas wanna kill me in my hood, they motivated, see me come as far.
Shit different.
Yeah. I ain't choosing life, I think it chose me. Now I'm pulling up, I'm going rosy. Then I only sitting in the nosebleed. Now I'm pitching courtside, the billionaires my OGs. And it's a good feeling when the city knows your name. Yeah, and it's a good feeling knowing just how far we came. Dream chasing.
Chat, what's popping in the mountain here? This one's popping. My girls, what's popping? When I deal with another man in here, I'm gonna light up my spliff, get myself some juice, and start to reasons. Easy woman's may says, warms to honors. Power tap your life there. No, I'm sitting courtside and everybody, you know? Bro. Soldier. Yeah. Chop piece of rice and put look like the ocean spray now, no? Oh, go on. Nah, I'm allowed. Pandemic, you say, nah, black. Yeah, man, team. What day you saw, team? I know, like, today is a very beautiful day. Nobody can in and no chatting with me. Check the time. Who that attack round a back? Me not hear them. Who that round a back? Attack. Me not hear them. Check the time. I'm gonna go away. You can't deal with me. I'm not going. 30 minutes. You're way off. A long time of the life now. And if me the 30 minutes off, I'll know it not reach level 38. Ease yourself, young lady. Settle yourself. I wake up. First thing I wake up and text my woman good morning. Went in the bathroom, drink a cup of water, all a shit, then go all a bed, rub on some cream, and come in and start talk to my people. And so no reason with me a long time I wake up. Power tap your life. Power tap your life then. Yeah, power tap your life. So, all of the ladies, them, we are going to tell me something early today. Think again. I'm an early motherfucker. You see what I say? So, the people when they wear around at the back of the class, we are telling me something 30 minutes late. It not even reach 11:30 yet. I'm there about 30 minutes now. So, what I say to me? Me I beg you, son. Tap on the screen. Julie, thank you. Watch you now. Rain and go far. So yeah, I try to say, me never early yet. Yeah, my dad. No, me, I got you. Power tap your life, the Marvin, you know ready, bro. Go on, turn on the light and give you 1.6 and 4. Cause right now I'm hot, you know. Right now we're on fire. Your time is not. Your on time is not, friend bossy. Tell us I'm a jigsaw skeleton long time. I don't believe me, you know. I feel like a joke me and make, you know. A jigsaw skeleton, been jigsaw skeleton, brother. That's what I say. Boy team, my sister me I get a fight, you know. But watch you know, we not worry boy fight for them I give it. You see it? Because you know we're going with my fight when me I get it. People born hate me. So even people know the lie or the truth, them still I go hate me. You see what I say? Yeah. Them still I go hate me. The truth, they're fine at me. You know the truth, a little bit more. It take time finally expose. But no matter how the truth come out with all of the lies them or the people and build upon me, chat. Not only the truth them a come out, you know, for the lies them or the people and build upon me. It don't change shit. It don't change shit, brother. Yes, what me I say, you know why? Because the scar, it was already made. Yes, what me I say? And it's so fucked up how people can tell lie upon you, bro, and them lie just come blatantly so in a people's face, and you just look on the whole of them, so. I'm just look for a certain thing and laugh, bro. Because you know why? You don't tell on you, say everything you do me, every lie you tell upon me over here, it'll take time reveal, brother. You see what me I say? It'll go take time reveal itself. Me not have to come here and say nothing, or me not have to come here and speak on it, brother. Everything I go just take time reveal itself, so I just look on the whole on so and watch the whole on crumble. You see what me I say? Me not really depend on back and forth to do no. I don't tell you say most of the things them wanna see me over here so do. I just take when I say no do over here so to man. I just take it to God in prayer and just watch the whole on the cookie crumble, bro. Believe me, you. I say what man will beat them baby mother and them mama. You know over here and worship them, bro. Beat off them mama and them baby mother. Who man me see do it to and worship them? So I just look down and say, you see all somehow, you know. And something will reach out somehow, you know, forget it all too, you know. That me I tell you, you know, cause you don't even know what to cheer for. Me see man will beat them baby mother and mama over here so charge you. You see what me I say? Well knowing. You see it? You know, worship him and go on. Yeah man, girl forget beat and them thing there. Make a man beat for no mother and for no mama no. I wanna see, but that's what I always tell you. See, karma is a thing where John must start, bro. When you don't even know. I love some people to time, bro. You know why me ever bless over this charge? Because my ways, bro. And me nah go stop keep it real with me and my people them charge. You see what I say? Some people not true to themselves, bro. You see it? That's why no things say me not run in, brother. I just hold my post. God bless when me play with a Jamaican over this, bro. Not running into nobody energy, brother. You see it? Yeah, charge. You one energy me have, bro, and a rose bill me, bro. You see, me not running into nobody energy charge. Believe me. I just there and hold my post and watch be people just attack. Cause my love be the odd one, you know. You see it? My love be the odd one. Me not like be the superhero. Yes, when you're the superhero, them expect too much from you. And I don't want nobody expect too much from me. Yes, what me I say? Because when I think me humble, me no humble about buckler. I tell you that, bro. Cause me nah make you walk over me. When I talk, bro, I just not look for you, brother. You see it? I just keep my thing and do my thing how I want to do it, bro. You see what me I say? Humble my buckler. Me not, all when I feel like you know walk over me, you know walk over me. I decided not to. Yes, what me I say, because you see anything where you egan, bro, and your boots up, it catch a flare. Me not go no flare, bro. Me not boss no. Na Rose boss me. Make Rose boss no. And she me see over here boss a bag of people. Me not boss no. Na Rose boss me. Me just grateful for a little boss, bro. And just there with her and go on easy and the little boss so me get. Yes, what me I say? Yeah, bro, I'm just grateful and see if me can capitalize our fight. Me not something there, bro. You see it? Me not boss nobody. Yeah, charge you a certain go, bro. So no matter what you want think about me, bro, me stand my ground charge it and hold me post, brother. You see it, me no business boy, nobody and them thing, brother. Yes, when me I say, no matter how no come here come class, me also some people, me see all the bring them down in the comments and I just look on and I laugh. You see it? When you don't have nothing to say, when you see me do it, when you don't have nothing to say, if him no want her and him no do that, and when you see me buy the girl something nice, bro, when you take it, say a rose money buy it. And me a rose make you same amount of money over here. So what me do with my money? Taking yam shit. So at that we do no, bro. No matter what nobody do, bro. You see, from long as you don't like it, you not go something there. No matter how good it is, bro, you not go class it always. If me come out here, if Rose come and say she a breed a morning, if me breed Rose tomorrow and she come and say she a breed, you go hear say I don't feel me pay me. You go hear say it's the next man pick me. Cause me never beat it skill. Bro, no just good morning my sister. Uno just uno mindset, bro, when you no hate people, brother. It different. And you know why you no hate we? The win where we are win. Cause me hear whole heap of uno talk over here, you know, bro. You see? Me hear whole heap of uno talk. What day I'm there run through and scream record and hear that bad mind body boy, you know, hear. I wanna alone and make it kinds them over here. I wanna alone, ray, this and that. I mean I say, then work, nigga. Put in your content and work. Find something to do and work. You see it? If you click your life, click your life and be consistent. But when you over here now, I cause people them over, feed them money, the audacity. You see it? And I just look on it and I say, boy. I say, boy. You see life, you what? And one thing I know about life, Chargy. You can't do too good. If you go in a music industry, bad mind they are try draw you down. They over here, you're there on the top, bad mind try draw you down. If you're there and do all a little plumber work, and then see say you stay so woman, you start do your thing good and start buy up some little plumbing equipment and plumbing essentials and start sell it and your thing take off away and you know the little regular plumber them bro, them bad mind you charge it. Bad mind you start all care name and you say, yo man, you man fuck this man your wife man, so that's why I'm big star, that's why. Yeah bro. The whole of way I do the same thing, bro. And then when your hustle look kind of better than for them hustle, them class your hustle and bring down your hustle. And that with Jamaican, bro. Anytime you do better than them, the first thing them jump up and say, me nah do what them I do for money, you know. I don't know do blood clot, same thing. I see him beg way over here, beg. You see it? As soon as you start prospering in life, or you start look like you want to be somebody, you want to look like you do something for yourself. Me not do what them are doing. I see him beg, we are beg. You see it? And if I game we do, I see him game we do. But people always when your hustle look better than for them on, bro. And it look like say, yo, you go somewhere and your thing look more uniform more than for them on, then class your thing. Let me show you something. Exhibit number 1. You see how me get for kind of build my thing over here and wonder how me build my thing. You see me platform them are the two, them are the main reason why we big so over here. We platform them already for we. They are one of the main reasons. And you see the work what we put in, it's very, 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 very hard. Yes, when I say it's not easy if you come over here so every day and come get bring down. You see it? Exhibit number 1. My logo. My logo. My logo. My logo. My push me thing. Me push me thing, bro. Me not just sit down. Yes, when me I say, when everybody sit down and dip on screen, tops and roses, tops and roses. Me a rose in a street. I tell you, bro. Me and her in the street is either we are go on date, we are go down a town, we are go right there, so. Me a go for Ezekiel. You work that me a go down a home, my word. Me a rose the gone round ya, so me a rose the dead. We in a street. So we not just we not left with thing, we not put we egg in a one basket, bro. We kind of branch thing, brother. You see, try find different things. Like do different things, bro. You see what me I say, well might be other people now do. I wanna class it. But you know what we do? If it's still there, what we do? Sorry about that, my team. You know what we do, chat? We stay fucking consistent. You see? Sometimes I hear some people all in the comments say, this not done yet. Me tired for soon. Yes. That is what I am fucking working for. No forget shove under the rug. You just prove my point what me I work for. See him saying, them a go tired for see me face. That is where me a fucking work for, bro. Nothing my thing get shoved under the rug. I want to see that in a comment section. Me tired of me tired for so no. All when me black them, me I see them. Blood clot do no. That for sure you say, yo, the fucking thing what we are do. It now stop. We think I push and it out there. You black when you still a see we. You tired for see we face. And that me want to see, brother. Them thing them want to see. And you know why? Me never sell out for what me do. It's always continue working and pushing, bro. Always pushing, brother. Yes, what me I say? Bro, me I say sometime I day charge and some days kinda look away, man, not like. You see it? Some days kinda look away and me I say, Jano. I say, Jano. I'ma come here. And me come here and my face there, so. And if me have to go tie this round, me get a corner, so. I go from. Two sitting for poppy smile, so. For make sure say my audience happy. And me happy and me can get for do what me I do. And come here and me talk to my people. Yes, when me I say me forward here and me talk because I'm poppy smile, so. Cause if me come here and screw, the whole chat vex. If I come here and screw, the whole chat vex. God's favor, thank you. If me come here and screw, my whole chat vex, brother. Yes, what me I say? So all when me have a bad day, me have to keep smiling and I come here and me do what me have to do because me have to get this shit done, bro. And you know what me not do? Me not come on out myself over here. We come live all 4 times for a week, 5 times for a week, max. You see it? Believe, Rosa, that's what I know in living. Thank you. Me give me people them time, and that's why I don't always see we. Somehow I don't bleed on people them too much, brother. You see it? Believe me give me people them time, bro. Me not come and out my thing over here, bro. You see it? And you know what? Get people mad. Oh, me not even drive myself in a mix up. Me not run myself in one boot and say, yeah, actually, run going in one mix up right over there, so. Good morning. Grown going on one mix up. Cause me have to in one mix up for utter, me have to do that for trend. Me just there so normally and just a reason my people them a smile and a talk and me a trend, bro. When you look on the for you, yeah, see me dog. You see it? And me I say watch it. I mean not trouble nobody, me not chat nobody, me not do this to nobody. None of them thing then. But people always just find something to say about me. Most of them people don't even know me. Most of them people don't even know my dog. You see it? So, yes, when I stay so, die, big up yourself. You know? Yes, when I see them stay so, woman, them try slander my character. Bro, I just take everything with a smile because I know so watch you know. I put in the work. I take everything with a smile because I know so watch you know. I put in the work, bro. Believe me. I put in the work. When you're there, you do one set of thing, bro. And you see when me and... Cause bro, we don't get the credit for what we do, you know. Me and Tickers don't get no credit for what we do. All we get for what we do, I bring down. Yes, when me I say, a people in a road say we don't give you credit, bro. We don't get the credit. You see, all when people see say people blatantly do what we do, you feel like them a call out that, but make we ever do something what somebody do. And it trick the media. Some know say, you see, we are the odd, and people always are gonna fight against the thing, bro. I tell you, we are the odd, and people always are gonna fight against the thing. Believe me, charging. And that's why I rate artists like Alkaline, so. Because him stand out and him be himself. And you know which upcoming artist I take time to rate to? Malidan. I like the villain, the odd one. It's like thank you so much, Tita. It's like I like the villain and just watch everybody. I try gang against me. And I do what them have to do. Because you know what my secret weapon for prove people wrong. You see, I mean we always prove people wrong, brother. Believe me, always prove people wrong, Chargy. Thank you, no Shirley. Always prove people wrong. So now watch me sometime, bro. Sometimes I soon do some things. Don't bother feel like me not see it. Big up, you know. Don't bother feel like me not see it. I see it, dog. I just not business about it for real. None one of them, just not really. Nah. I don't really business about somehow. No. You see it. Look at my people, them. I gotta show you something. Oh, let me say something. My platforms, I'm begging you. Sunday, please allow the people for sub my ladies. I don't want any of my platform stream live. Please and thank you. Alright then? Because it's a sub live. This platform them, may I tell you no friend now. Please, I'm generously asking you, allow some of the people for sub. Alright then, Shy, I'm big up yesterday now. Where you did that? Happy belated birthday again. A 2 birthday that in a Shy. A 3 birthday. Can I tell you a day before yesterday and today. Yeah, my team. May I beg you, please. Cause you don't know. It's long time we don't really do no sub live. You see it? And so we have to allow some of our people to forward, sub, and can get peace and walk on. You see it? Because you're going to have a lot of people that judge with things, a stream phone platform for bring we down and I don't know the thing go already. Hi boss, you are going my day, I know. God's favor, you're good. Oh, you sub already. Everybody we can comment sub already. Everybody we can comment to my super fan is like get a super fan. You see it? So anybody can comment. If you don't want to get on a super fan, you try comment. If you can't comment, you get on a super fan. The people we are comment now, you don't have to spend $5 more to watch it live. Yes, what I say? The people we are something there now, you don't have to spend $5 more to watch it live. Believe me. Yeah, so but me I beg on my ladies. Yes, when we over there. Somebody can block Uncle Toto out of my chat. Big head boy, you sub already. Oh, you go comment and a blood clad van. Sure. Yes, so you're just like Pastor. Sure. Come in. Me don't know what kind of dress in them, the brother. You have on your Jordan suit and then you go put on one Jenks. Me lick out him bumbuckler. You know no sense? That is it, Tamika. Eh? A man have on one Jordan short set and go put our square mouth drinks. Me will lick down him bumbuckler, you know. I mean, what kind of dress in them there? Fuck you. I mean, I like it. I like it. Bro? Oh, they have fun at it.
Yeah, so they don't check.
Mama, what's
They're not watching.
What that?
Later.
Pour it up your line, them team. Rikela, thank you. Everybody will just do them sub team. Everybody will just do them sub. Wanna go in a the. Everybody will just do them sub. Them text me. All right. Remember for text on the live. Just sub Angie. Big up yourself. Everybody wanna get in on a sub. Remember. If you not sub, when the live start 5:30, 6 o'clock, when you not go get no notification. I'm one with people them dead. You see it with the 739 sub already. We are trying to carry it up to 2,000 sub chat or 3,000 sub. Everybody wanna get them subscription. It's just a $10, ladies. So $10 sub we have. 738 sub already, my team. So me I beg my ladies them, anybody don't subscribe as yet, go ahead and go get your subscription. Just sub SMR, big up yourself. SMR not just sub, you know. SMR just sub. Oh, AJ mommy want the auto renewal. Me sub and me 3D for hey, you see you what's popping? Brand new whip just hopped in. Jesus Christ. Team, I'm here to inform you that me have to go stop the story time 7:45. 7:45. That is it. Me have to go stop the story time cause it's getting me in a lot of problem. No, me got no time that day. My anniversary, me have early. team, thank you so much. My sub renewal every month. Team, you can come. Alright, let me tell you something. Me no alright. You see my subscription, my subscriber them. Nobody feel like you know have a day and a gift down my screen or none of them something there. If you sub and put it on auto renewal for year, I 120 that for year. $10 a month. So even that, me that pray she love it. Yes, what me I say? Cause I know sometimes ladies them want talk in a chat, sometimes ladies them want watch what go on. You know, so me that you understand? Man, Sheila says she pay $145 a year. Humble clothes, that's why me have to love my people them. True Virgo, fabulous. Thanks, me did feel away for true fabulous. Can't there and we can't talk to you. You can't link me and say, boss brain, why you pray? Me I say, you know something that. Me I say Island Princess Andrea and Nanny Badness and Rozak and Maxi the Queen and me know me there. Yeah, something like, you know. I'm going to look at it for you, bro. Yeah, you know me there, I go on easy. Watch, I make me whole. Hey, and a them thing I make people in love with, you know. Watch it. Everybody will have them sub per auto. For every month, them subscription auto renew. Make me say some art in a chat. My outlookers, look at this. $9.10 pound. Watch ya. At $10.99. $15 Canadian. Watch ya. Soji, watch ya. A greatness this here, bro. Look, my dog, a greatness. A greatness this, a subscription this, Soji. This, bro. I love this what we are talking about. People ask me, what am I reward for all of them things when I go through in a life? It's my blood clot reward, yeah. The people that love me have me back, my dog. See them here? A 1 year. Them subscribe for. See it there? See it there? I love. I mean, no stream like on Twitch and them thing there. And me I clap them sub ya. God nah sleep you. Tell me I take it, brother. God nah sleep, my bro. God nah sleep, my bro. Watch it. Some of my people in my pay all $20 for sub. Some of my people might pay $20 for sub, brother. I tell you, I love. Can they and go like me not appreciate my fucking people? I'm mad. 20 USD for your. Watch it. Hey, so TikTok go on different prices. You don't know about come. Hi Soji right you say no. On have a high bossy with a smile first. Hey, me jealous, you know. Oh, power tap your life. No, I'm jealous and still. I don't want nobody to think. I don't want nobody to think away from me, you know. For true. For true, I don't want nobody to take away. You see it? I may have some big man friend, you know. And I hear them to me every day. My youth, I come for your life. Give me one of them girl like that. Whenever you come to a town, I go to no man. Me, be jealous like. And I sit up no man pan, no man. Give a few woman them. The lies on the tell. And me I go there, you know, and me I say, me I wonder if me can share the life to one of the people, man. Or Juicy Faye, or Marshall, or Shan Journey, or Island Princess, Die Queen, Money G, or Nanny Badness. And beg them to give. And when me stay so boom a video call him and say, hey, I'm struggling over here. Can I beg you to give? I'm begging. Me see them stay so. Cause they at, you know, watch them. I can't be there right now. I'm with one of your big man friends, them sipping margarita, in Macaro or Bali. What? Chatami, she attack? I mean, she attack. Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. Or Bali or one of them. I mean, Jesus Christ. So I'm not done with it then. Me da feel like I'm a girl I give me a bone. Me nah like, me da ball. Me da ball. Or so, I'm a video call you now say, sister, me nah want a hot match. Me a beg you look support me. Please and thanks, cause you know when I want come here come look like you have to stay single, please. Please, me I be gonna stay single. You know me there, I be gonna some help. I'm soon to stay so. Me say, where the sister? I can't make it right now, you know. I'm in Brazil with one of your big man friends taking picture by the statue. Blood clot, you see. I say you're going to leak out on no blood clot. Me start bawling instant. Me start bawling instant. Yeah, man, and I have to stay single, man. Me not run no joke. Run a joke. Unfair, Jesus Christ. So how me unfair? She single life, bro. So I think you will know my wife. Oh no, leave me. Tell Soji I said hi. Where Soji just no, for sure. Soji there. Soji, see them I ask you. Me turn the camera on Soji. Soji girl, I call him my youth. Bossy, what Max? What's Soji that you laugh off your face? Soji! Soji! Yo, what you doing? I show me turn the camera for you, man, bro. Team, power tap your live there. Power tap your live there, my team. Power tap your live. One book, man. Power tap your live there, my team. Hey dog, I girl and sugar, man. My man in a chat, brother. I said I first lady. Stop it! But what I feel like, me I say, yo, bro, you know, some can't bother with you know. Me I got done with you know. Una ask me about no man again, I must say. The soldier, girl, what I say. Soldier, girl, what I say, brother. What's happening? Max up on the ground, man. And dog up on the ground, you see it? And dog up on the ground. No, for sure. Why? Yeah, man, bro. I can't get a chance in a life. Jaja, buy one pack of white whistle for me, here? Please. You have money for you?
Yeah, I'm going to take it to buy some.
Yeah. Alright, my dog. There you know the system they put in ground. That's it, system yard, man. All I dog them they put in ground, man. That's it. How's Draco? Boy, bad sister. To them, I go buy him in food, you know. Eh? Van key. It's there in my room. Go on in my room, feet. You see it? Who them now?
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? What's poppin'?
What's popping to you? We good. You good?
Yeah, I'm great. How about you?
I'm
where,
good. I'm
man?
good. Nice to meet you. You're welcome.
Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Oh, you're from Ethiopia. And you, bro?
Personally, yeah, but I don't know where they're
I'm
from.
from Kenya.
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Oh, so you guys are all African. I'm African too.
Oh, which
Where I'm
country?
from?
Oh, really? From where you from?
Nigeria.
Oh.
Nigeria.
I'm just fucking with you. I'm Jamaican. I'm Jamaican.
Where did they happen? Where did they solve?
No, me a
No.
Jamaican.
How
Me a
far?
Jamaican. Me come from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, me come from Jamaica.
Jamaica, yo, Jamaica.
Are you sure?
If me sure, so me not look like me come from yard.
No, you look like you're from, you're a place, no, yeah.
Oregon.
Okay.
Where is Oregon?
Eh?
You are from Oregon. Oregon. You are from Oregon?
So you three are one against me alone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, forward.
That's how we play trio, baby.
Let's see how
Let's
you
go,
do it.
man.
Let's go.
We
Everybody,
gonna
let's
whoop
go
your
back
ass.
this quiz. Spread the narrow.
Let's go, everybody.
Who
Let's
up them up team and
go.
left them alone?
Spread the
First
narrow,
triple.
guys. Everybody, let's go.
We gonna pull the para period,
First trip with my
guys.
team.
Para period,
Spread the narrow, guys. Let's go,
period.
everybody.
Well, two of them are A1 and
Jamaica.
Everybody, let's go.
guys.
Let's go.
But the big guys, everybody.
a double team.
Sasa kujifanya
Use the
nyinyi
first
si wa
double.
Guys,
Use the
all
first
the
double.
big guys, we are combined.
Use the first double. Use the first
Guys,
double.
double E.
Man crazy, thank you. Use the first double. Use the first double there. Man crazy, thank you. Use the first double. Tracy, thank you. Use the first double, ladies. Use the first double.
Bravo, everybody.
Shirley, thank you so much. Use the first double, my ladies. First double. 11.
Guys, the
Thank you
first
so
table,
much.
my tapas. My first table.
Jamaica. Gracias.
Mama yangu.
All of them
Guys,
Kenyans, are you tired of your people? Guys, Kenyans, why don't you support your people, guys?
Hey, I mean, you know, laugh, Fafa.
guys, sugar.
Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
Thank you
Where
so
are my
much,
Ethiopian
lady
people,
love.
man? Where are my Ethiopian people? Where are Ethiopian people, man? Hurry up, guys.
Why
Team Kenya, come. Team Kenya represent.
Tita, thank you so much.
Guys,
Hey,
Team
hey,
Kenya.
hey.
Where are Mozambiquans people?
You guys are laughing at
Team
me.
Kenya. Team Kenya, 25 roses.
No.
Okay.
We're like, we are three. How can we be hooped? We are three and you are one. Oh my God, that's what is funny. Because we are
Oh,
many.
lady,
We should not
thank
be
you.
Hey,
25 roses, chat.
25 roses,
25
guys.
roses made me the
Shamika,
podcast.
thank you.
25 roses.
Gracias, Shamika.
Guys, 25 roses.
They're gonna
25 roses. Let's get there.
25 roses. Everybody, guys.
Guys, drop a rose.
You drop one, you come and drop here, guys. Don't miss this.
Tony can't get the rose.
Guys, roses tano. Tatu. Ndio hizo.
Tony
Guys.
can't get the
Yes. Good job.
Guys, twende nalo. Let's go. Let's go.
Times two, guys.
Times two double,
Hey,
everybody.
guys. You don't miss the speed.
Thank you. That you.
Let's go, let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Everybody, times two double. Let's go.
The doubles. Together.
Let's go, double.
Iwe.
Thank you.
Use it, baby.
Guys,
Use it,
nataka kwenye nimeongea. Mase mola haya.
Use it, double. What the second boost there?
Double.
In living, beg on beg your girl like Sarah Whale on this one, please. Lord, gracias.
Hey.
Hey, for mommy, thank you so much. Thank you. Money
Anyway,
G.
my.
Holy Palofina princess, thank you so much.
Haki Kasogo ameharibu.
In living, thank you.
Ai. Kasogo, hii ni mambo yako. Hakuna mahali Kenya
Oh,
tunashinda. Guys, everybody clap your screens, guys. Clap your screens, guys.
Songo,
Everybody, let's go.
yeah.
Momba linangai.
Sasa Kasongo amefikia
Kasogo,
wapi hapa?
Our president is
I
called
will
Kasogo.
if followers the people I'm having.
He has destroyed the economy. There is no tap. He has gone down. Yes?
What you guys do? You guys have a lot of followers.
We beg here on
Yeah, we are influencers.
You are professional beggars.
Yeah, very
We
famous.
give gossip.
Professional
Gossip.
beggars.
Yeah.
Me too.
No. I am Beyonce of Africa. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm not a beggar. I can't
Oh,
teach you.
Oh, I'm a model. I'm a model. I do body model. I'm a male model.
Yeah. You see, we are influencers. These ones, they are gossipers. These two, I don't know them.
Oh, me, I don't know them either. But
We are-
They gossip like bloggers,
I'm a
like
model
blogs,
from
you know?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Yeah, model.
Yes. Model for us.
On your mic.
Damn. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah. Do a 360. Do a 360, man. I want to see 360.
Ah! Stop showing the people faces.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
That's
go.
not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
You have a lot of
Bobo.
Yeah.
You laughing at me?
Nakamukoro.
No.
Hey.
Eh? He has fainted.
Watu wako wanamwambia miguu, sijui nini amefanya miguu. Watu wote wanamwambia miguu. Ni ila hapa niko yado huko. Ndamega kusha.
Ayo ni mo Nigeria wetu mo Jamaica wanako.
Well, come here. We want to see you.
Hey!
You are the
Did you faint?
legs.
Did
Did you faint? Did you faint, man?
Somebody call
What's up?
911.
What is that?
911.
Socks. I got a foot condition called footatitis.
Footititis.
Yeah, footatitis. I gotta wear my socks.
Okay. Footititis.
Yeah, it is caused by a rare condition. It's caused by a rare condition called Cora White and Gel.
Coral white and gel.
Yes.
Caroline.
Okay.
Mukorogo.
Oya ni moika boy.
Yeah.
Braki ni dodori.
Power tap like them.
Kanisa. Oh.
Ready again?
Okay, we are sorry. We are
You
sorry.
understand?
All right then.
Yeah.
Mungu ni kama yanakwala.
Yeah, man.
Power
Okay.
tap like them, team.
What?
Maybe we
Send it over. Send it
When
over.
we play.
Let me send it over to you. Let me send it over to you. Guys,
Yeah.
Send one.
Carla, Tita,
Okay.
Herfa, thank you. So,
Send it.
Oya, pick it.
Thank you.
Yes, you think I take it, man. Let's
I
go,
pick
guys. You
it,
gotta
I
try
pick
harder,
it.
guys. My team. You
I
gotta-
pick it.
Guys,
Power
let's
tap
go.
like
Let's go. Tusisidwe na mu Jamaica. Guys, we are 3 versus 1. Honestly, yeah, easy.
Somebody is saying
Yeah,
Guys, it's very, very shaming if you're losing, guys. If you're
National
losing, it's
Federation
not
of
looking good
Mukorogo
for
Squad.
us.
29
Hey, we're
guys.
not getting any
It's not looking
speed.
good for us, guys. We are losing so bad.
Cancel,
man.
cancel.
Let's go, everybody.
Good.
Guys, triple now. We go together.
First
What going to last year?
Triple, guys. Triple.
Go, me team.
guys.
Go upon the triple. Go upon the triple.
What going to
Go,
last
me
year?
team. Go upon the
guys,
triple.
triple,
Go.
guys.
What going to
Sheila,
last
thank you so much. Go, go.
Thank you.
Guys, let's go, team.
Go. Go, Mandy Mice, thank you. Snipe, me team, snipe.
Go.
Listen, thank you so much. Snipe, my lady, snipe. Herfa.
Guys, where are you
Gracias.
being dismantled, man?
Why are you
What
beating
going
us
to
that much?
Princess Vivian. Team, we are trying to get the universe today, please. Carla, what you love, you know?
Eh?
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
What is the time there? What is the time there?
12:17 in the day, the afternoon.
Why your people beating us this bad?
I don't know. I think your people are broke.
No. We
Our
are not.
country
It's
is
only that
broke.
we are playing down. We are playing down.
Tiako Mohenia, we have President Kasogo has destroyed the economy. It's bad. The President Kasogo has eaten everything. No gifter. Aye. Kasogo ametuharibia.
Butterflies with butterfly and that signs that say they just thank you.
Kasogo niwe.
Team,
27 roses.
Guys, 27 roses, guys.
everybody.
Guys, ukipia Frank,
Team, we reach.
hivyo mnaweza share. We can share the roses, guys.
Team.
Guys, quickly.
Team.
Ni ndogo sana. It's very short.
Guys,
It's 30 seconds.
Guys,
Guys,
everybody,
27,
guys,
guys.
Roses.
Everybody one rose, each one rose is kila mtu, guys.
Guys, one
And then share your roses. Go to Frankie, then everybody share their team. You can go and give anybody.
Frankie kuteni huku. Guys,
The speed is short, guys.
Tudeni kwa Mary. Tudeni hivyo, guys.
Guys,
Everybody,
10
rose, guys.
10 seconds.
Guys, it's gonna be the
Using them.
Guys, tudeni roses. What?
Thank God.
Mano,
Sasa uko na Galaxy umeficha leo
Thank you
uiweke
so
kama moja.
much.
Guys, thank you, double.
Go double. Stacy, thank you. Go double. Marshila, thank you so much. Go double.
Guys, thank you, double.
Carlene, thank you so much. Go my team, go up on the double.
Thanks to double,
Go up on
guys.
the double,
Everybody
go up on the double, my team, go up on the double. And number 12 for there, we just a start. Go double, my ladies. Go double, my ladies. Go double, my ladies. Andine, thank you. Go double, my team. Go double, my ladies. Go double. Shanice,
Go
thank you
double.
so much.
Go double.
Use a double. Mandy Mice, thank you so much. Go, my team, go.
Go double. Go double.
Caroline, thank you so much.
I thought I was joking.
Carla,
Ndio nimekuja
thank
kuona
you.
the economy is destroyed.
Go double, my people. It's
Use it double,
destroyed.
use it double,
Yako na
use it
watu
double.
kidogo na sisi watu wetu wakiunganishwa tuko watu giritano.
Na gutire kinyo theri.
Gotire kinya ihuti. Tupia muthurio tumuigate. Kasogo thina twarehia guku thina.
Hey, chat.
My gift
Chat.
share it is
We
here.
reach 761 subscriber. Me a big no. We are come from 720 subscriber. We reach
Yeah,
761. We are big all of my ladies, them please and thanks. Get on a subscription in for Sunday.
No, you don't drink okoma. Drink what I would do okoma ni.
I chat to not chat me.
Danoga. Tumejaribu lakini by the way lakini tumejaribu
Thank
hiyo
you.
kucheza na watu
Eh,
ni poa sana because tupatia unga hata kama si.
Thank you, Monique. Hey, I chat to not chat me.
Yeah.
I chat you know I chat me.
Guys,
Eh?
yes, man. What are you saying me again?
I chat you know I chat me.
I chat you know, I chat me.
Yeah, I chat you know I chat me.
Is that English?
We don't understand what is that.
What is that language?
Uno be chatting about me.
We don't know that.
Come on, say my name.
Anasema nini? What are you saying?
Frankenstein.
You shut
Another
me?
one.
Guys, simunedike comment section. I hear what he's saying. I shut. I don't know.
Guys.
Even the things I'm innocent.
Subscribers.
Okay, bro, we have followed.
Okay, Ross, we'll see you later, man.
Okay, bless
Yeah,
up and
followed
take
you.
care.
Bless,
Right.
thank you.
Love.
All
right.
right.
Say hi to Vibes Cartel.
No. When I say
Why
hi to
not?
Vibes Cartel, we say Wagwan Vibes Cartel. Follow them. I never remember if you do that, you know. Beg you someone, please. They are struggling. Jesus Christ. Anti-AM. Volante.
Power up your life, please. And anti-AM and everyone of me auntie them, me a bed on the top for put me up in the one thing. Please. Me a bed on the top and me a bed on the one put our interteller. Please, me auntie them, me one put, and me one interteller, and me have one universe in the nunnery, and me ask me auntie them if they can help me. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, me auntie them. Thank you, me auntie them. Me their number them.
Yo, father, me nah no smoke here, no, me nah, leave me alone.
You just a
Me nah,
jump man.
me just jump on, me nah no smoke here. Me nah no smoke
Alright
over
then.
here. Yeah,
Go
circle me if
up
anything.
below.
Alright, my father.
Come here, call circle you.
Alright, my father. Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright then, Uncle Mr.
Active.
M.
Bless up, my father.
Can you fuck me up while you in no chat? Him fuck me up. Yeah? Him put one heap of sin plan me head. Why? When I see my ladies them a comment, it's like I'm not say. I beg me, I go beg them. Then run down. Jesus Christ. Me tired food, you know. But me tired for me tell for more. Me tired food, but me tired for me tell for more. What's up your life, eh? Until them run down. Then do I beg me, I got beg. Cherry not talk with me, you know. Cherry not talk with me. Terry, where you do that for Terry? Hey, Cherry. Please, that's right. Hey, Auntie Matty. Hey, Auntie Matty. I love you, Auntie Matty. Poet, no, not kill my chat. Please. Poet, tap live, please. Something. Team have been some poet tap. That is it, Auntie Matty. Poet tap live, my team. Poet tap live. Poet tap live. Please. Please. Auntie Martila, thank you. Boy, Auntie Martila, my video, you know, can stay with me every day. You never left me, Auntie Martila. Thank you. Thank you, Auntie Martila. But yeah, number 12. Boy, team. You think you can do it? Auntie Martila, thank you. Auntie Martila. Auntie Martila, thank you too much. Team with that 4 man. Team of 4 with them man. We know that what? I might just state that. Thank you, Auntie Yatika. Team, you have been so honored. Into honored, no team, I could try use the time. When don't to honored, I could try use the time, team. We can time with it, you know. Team can climb with it, you know, Auntie them. Auntie Erfa, thank you. Thank you, Auntie Erfa. Thank you, Auntie Erfa. Auntie Erfa, thank you. Thank you, Auntie Erfa. Team, I've been to honored. Thank you, Auntie Tara. Thank you, Auntie Tara. Thank you, Auntie Tara. Joseph, thank you. Thank you, Joan. Thank you. Team. Yeah, man. Yet. Thank you, Trinity. Yeah, Turk. Yeah, Turk, Trinity. Thank you, my team. Remember, last time I don't put the tea on. Last time I don't put the tea on, and I found the time I not do them. Boy, team. Me have to tell wife if you tap coffee, you blind mice. God, me I want blind mice too. Me, I want blind mice too. Come here. Jesus Christ. Boy. Babe, what's it up coffee blind mice in a beer scar? Boy, I can't see much need, I know. So, may I beg you? Me can't see much neither. And Quaco can't cause you shut. What Andy? I say you go? No, if you can't catch Quaco, you catch you shut. Thank you. I would do that.
You can turn it off right now. Oh, I don't know what to do it. Dog, why your cup so big? How can I cup that?
Team my tattoo,
Oh,
dog. Team my
mad,
tattoo, my
mad,
dog, you know?
mad, it's active.
Team my tattoo, my dog.
Alright, yeah, so I think we're gonna do is what we are the best to 3 or best 2 out of 3?
First to 3. I say
First to
team
3.
broke.
Chad, he said we're broke. That's crazy. Bro, come on, let me send it, cause anytime you send it, we don't get no first gift triples.
Dog. Them
Hey, B.
times here.
Yeah, let's just do what we can. Alright, if you guys can only tap, then just tap the screen for me. Yo, cancel.
Yeah, I can't.
Cancel it. Yeah, wait. Nobody sent anything.
You can't
Wait.
it.
Oh, hold on. Let me cancel it. Yeah, wait. We're trying to get
Let
our
me
first
type
gift
in.
triples. Alright, you send it.
To activate. A nipple we
Oh,
get.
yeah. That's what I realized.
A nipple that
Yeah.
my you. Let me can't see it.
Abby, wait. Yeah, please, do not send
Send.
anything yet.
They not take none top tell line.
Yeah, what this, brother? Me just get one heart, brother. Alright, yeah, there we go.
Nipple.
Yeah.
Team. Use up the nipple.
Yeah, double tap the screen. The first gift is triples, y'all, whatever we can do. Alright?
Use up the nipple. Team. Use up the nipple.
Let's just see what we can do.
Use up the nipple.
If you only got taps, please tap the screen.
Use up the
Yeah,
nipple.
that was
Use up the
perfect. Abby,
nipple.
thank you.
Use up
If
the
you can
nipple.
only
Use up
tap,
the nipple. Use
then
up the
just tap the
nipple.
screen. Alright? B, thank you. You see, we got some
Use up the
teamwork,
nipple.
y'all.
Use up the nipple.
We got some
Martila,
teamwork.
thank you. Use up the nipple.
How the hell is that 13
Use up the
already?
nipple. Juice. Lucifer, thank you. Anti-duty
Yeah,
fair.
let's just do what we can.
Pamela, thank
Alright,
you
let's
so
just do what we
much.
can.
You the nipple.
Everything
You the nipple.
helps.
Ever, thank you.
Everything helps.
Nice.
Thank you. Everything helps, y'all. Let's just do what we can. Thank you, guys. The game is close.
Mandy, my thank
Game is
you.
close.
Tani, thank you.
Loyal, welcome in. Yeah, it's not me. Yeah, just keep tapping the screen. Hopefully we get a second speed. Alright, let's just keep
Carla,
tapping.
thank you.
Hopefully we get a
Auntie Carla.
second speed. Sis, thank you.
No, not kill that team. Thank Power Tap Live, my team. Please. Leave my team. Power Tap Live.
Yeah, do you have any gloves? Yeah, let me know if we have any gloves. I don't think we got any gloves. I don't think we have any gloves, yeah.
Power Tap Live, team. Power Tap Live. Number 8.
So maybe we gotta try to win
tweet.
this game just to see if we're gonna get gloves. Yeah, just keep tapping the screen for me, alright?
Dirty man, I look up at my head, no team. I told it here over there.
Sis, thank you so much for tapping. All of you guys that are tapping, thank you.
Be that right. Hey, boy, eat, you know.
Miss M, do you have any gloves?
Karim,
Okay,
thank
we're gonna
you.
get a speed, y'all. There's a
Boy, eat
speed.
the team.
Let's see if it's a triples.
Pamela, thank you.
Okay, it's a doubles. Alright, Miss M, save the gloves for last 25 seconds if needed. Yeah, if we can. I almost feel like pitching. Oh my god. Miss M, I'm sorry. Yeah, can we get 4 roses?
Chat,
Abby,
serious
thank you. We
time
need 4
now,
roses
serious time now.
to unlock the speed. We need 4
One
roses,
rose,
yeah.
my team. Alright then, my team.
Amazing teamwork,
We have
yeah.
a
We
glove,
need
we
one
have a
more
glove.
rose. Amazing teamwork, thank you.
We have a glove, team, we have a glove.
Amazing teamwork, yeah. Yeah, so we're not using any gloves. If we can use the doubles, let's use the doubles. They're gonna play, trust me.
Use the double.
Trust me, they're gonna play.
Use the double, my team. Use the double,
We gotta
use the
save the
double.
glove because I think we probably only got 1 or maybe 2 gloves.
Ooh,
So if you
sweet,
can use the
thank you.
doubles, yeah, use the
So
doubles.
much,
B,
use the glove,
thank
use the
you.
glove. That catch it,
Abby,
you know.
thank you.
That catch the gloves, you know.
Loyal
Use the
girl,
gloves, my
thank you.
team. Sure, thank you. Don't make the gloves waste, my ladies.
Let's use the doubles if
Use
you
the
can,
gloves,
yeah.
Marshilla. Thank you, sister. Use the gloves.
Abby,
Don't make it
thank you for
waste.
the
Don't
galaxy.
make it waste.
Yeah,
Team,
thank you.
something can
Amazing
catch your
teamwork,
gloves in
yeah.
the
We're
Shanice.
doing
Thank
amazing.
you.
See, the score
Marshilla,
is
thank
pretty
you
close.
so much. Make something can catch your gloves, team.
And they got a glove.
Make
We're
we
not
just try
using
our
a
5
glove.
gloves.
We're
Make we
gonna use
just
the
try
glove
our 5
last 30
gloves, team.
seconds.
Make we just try our 5 gloves. The
So
princess
it's pretty
Vicky,
close. We
thank you
can, we
so
probably
much.
can snipe this.
Snipe
Yeah.
it double.
Probably
Monday
can
Mice,
snipe
thank you.
this.
Snipe it up, snipe.
Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork. Amazing teamwork. All right, so just a suggestion. You see, when you throw the glove last 30 seconds, y'all, if you got, I'm just saying, if you got like 1K coins, do 10 hand hearts. All right. If you got 5K coins, do 5 galaxies or 5 shiny air balloons. There's a more chance for it to hit on the glove. All right. There's a more chance for it to hit on the glove than to just send one big gift for like 5K or 2K or whatever. Like try to split it up.
Locked in.
Trainer Stan, thank you, bro. Queen, thank you. Y'all, if you cannot give, just double tap the screen. All right, please.
Come in, my team.
There's no pressure. Miss M, Levy in the chat. Let's go. Y'all, we're gonna throw a glove last 25 seconds. All right. Let's just see what we can do.
Team, they're gonna start another. Please and thanks, my ladies. Thank you so much. God's favor me.
We gotta try to win this game.
They're gonna start another. Gloves.
Alright, we gotta try to win this game. That way we can get gloves.
Gloves, snipe.
So whatever we can do, y'all.
Snipe. Team snipe.
Let's try to win this game. That way we can see if we
snipe.
can get gloves. Trainer Stan, thank you, bro. Loyal girl, thank you. Y'all, snipe. They're gonna snipe.
Team snipe. Marshall, I can snipe this. No more could have sniped.
Trainer Stan, thank you, bro. Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully we get gloves. Okay, good, great. This is wonderful. Miss M, you got a glove. Abby, you got a glove. Stan, B, Loyal Girl, Espinosa, Renish, everybody, thank you. Mona. Alright, so Abby, do you know how to throw the glove? Please let me know. Do you know how to throw the glove?
Thank you so much, Lord.
I gotta confirm first. Do you know how to throw the glove?
Marshila, Carla, Princess Vivian, Mandy, Zerfa, Cherry, Karine, TT, thank you so much, my ladies.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork. Miss M, you see, you cause this, no, yeah, say. You cause this. Alright, y'all, let's go. Alright, this is the second game, y'all. So it's 1-0 for us.
So good. Number 4.
It's 1-0 for us, alright?
Number 4 then.
Y'all, if we play together as a team, let's just do what we can.
Thank you so much,
You see, again, first if it's triples, this is the most important time to play in the game.
On the board.
Whatever you can send, that galaxy, a money gun, everything counts.
Use that first
Alright?
triple.
If you cannot give, just double tap the screen.
Use the first triple, team. Don't wait till the last.
Alright? Every single thing counts. Do not think that your roses or the popular votes does not matter.
Push my ladies, push.
Loyal Girl, thank you.
Push me ladies, push.
All tours. Sorry,
Push me ladies, push.
Everything counts, y'all.
Melisha, thank you. They gonna have got snipe on the triple on my team. They gonna have got snipe on the team.
Y'all, if we can, use the triples if we can. Alright, only if we can.
Melisha, thank you.
Trainer Stan, thank you. Miss M, thank you so much. Alright, y'all, see the game is close again. Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork. We got more than one person playing.
Thank you, no mommy. Boom,
Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork. Trainer Stan, big level 25. Let's go. Level up in the chat.
Johnny on my team.
Big level, y'all. Say congratulations to Stan and Business family, please. Big level 25. Miss M, this is all your fault. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
This is your fault. Big 25, bro. Thank you so much, always. Shan, thank you for the follow.
1-1 rules, team.
Dana, thank you. Welcome in.
Roses and tops, Steve. Roses and tops, my ladies. Roses,
yeah, let's just see what we can do. The score is, it's...
Roses and tops, my team.
Trainer Stan, thank you so much, bro. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get a second speed. You've been MIA. Yep. First time here and started following. All tours, thank you so much. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna follow you back.
Speed.
Oh, see, we're gonna get that speed. Abby, do you know how to throw the glove?
Team locked in, my ladies. Locked in, my ladies, locked in, my ladies, locked in, my team. Alright, it's a triple we get, you know. It's a triple we get, team. Anything we a drop, make we drop it on that triple here. Please and thanks, my ladies. Don't wait till the last. Sniping, night. One. I'm gonna snipe my big in a team. That's it. Power tap your life, my team. Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life. Power tap your life, my team. Alright, triple. Use a triple, team. Use a triple, team. Lana Dean, thank you so much. Lana Dean, mommy, thank you so much. Use a triple. Bad girl P, thank you. Team, I beg everybody a push on this, please and thanks. Man Lifeline, thank you so much. Me I beg my people a push on this, my team. Die, thank you, you know. Me I beg my team a push on this. Melissa, Lottie! Melissa, Lottie, man, thank you, man. Lady Ava, thank you. Snipe. Spooky, thank you. Snipe. This is unapologetic, thank you. Bad girl P, thank you. Snipe. Ava! Yes! Your blood clot, your princess, your blood clot, your blood, no, Lady Ava. That is it, my team, and that we are talking about. Brown, thank you. Nadine, thank you. Joan, pick up, you know. Blood clot. Yes. Yes, my team. What a push. What a push, my ladies. 10K to number something there in the chat. To number 2. To number 2. No one of my ladies them are coming, come send me a line and flip me a number 1. Easy. Some of my ladies them deal with me, you know, them wait till me reach one part and say, bossy, go take your rightful spot. 1-1 my team.
Miss M, thank you so much. Stan and business,
thank you, her for all you love, you know.
Loyal girl,
thank you, lady.
Michael Schofield,
Avalan, Lorna Dean,
everybody
thank
that's
you.
tapping.
Bad girl P, all you love, you know.
Thank you guys so much. Amazing teamwork. One second, yeah.
Fucking self. And I'm a day one then.
Amazing teamwork, yeah. So now it's 1-1. Game is tied at 1-1.
They a long time.
Game is tied at 1-1, y'all. Right?
Alright then. Send it over, bro.
Alright, so I know Miss M got a glove. And I know Abby got a glove. Alright, y'all. Let's go. This is the third game, y'all.
Nobody. Alright, send it over, bro.
Alright, let me send it.
Both of you like them.
Yeah, just power taps. Alright, my safe place. Welcome in. Let's just double tap, y'all. Let's just double tap.
Killer them fear still.
Yeah, whatever we can do, we need everybody. Whatever we can do. No give his school small.
Locked in, my ladies. Locked in.
If you got roses,
use the double. Use the double. Locked in, my ladies. Use the double.
No give his too small.
Locked in, my team. I use the double. Locked in, I use the double. Locked in, use the double.
Understand. Thank you, bro.
Locked in, I use the double.
Thank you.
Thank you. Locked in, use the double. Lady Ava, thank you.
Whatever we can do, yeah.
Locked in, I use the double. Locked in, I use the double. Lady Ava, all heap of love, you know. Use the double, team. Use the double. Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Thank you.
Lady Ava, thank you so much. Thank you, mommy. Yeah, follow boy. Thank you so much.
Liar girl, thank you.
What I feel like them, my team.
I'm not guilty. Welcome in. Alright, y'all. Everything counts.
Bad girl King.
Welcome in, everybody. I forget how it goes. in here. I wasn't ready. What you mean, trainer stand? Yeah, we need 4 roses. We need 4 roses to get this feed. Come on, y'all. We got 40 persons in the room. Come on, we need 4 roses.
We are going to gloves for that double.
Yeah, we need 2 more. Okay, amazing teamwork. Abby, are you still here? Abby, if you're still here, when the clock hit 30 seconds, please press on the glove for me, please.
Use the double.
Press on the glove for me. When you see the countdown reaches 30 seconds, press the glove. When it reaches 30 seconds, press the glove. Yeah, wait on the glove, please.
Gloves and double. We have to
When the
play
glove
them
goes
smart
up, yeah,
team. Gloves and double. Use the double. Use the gloves, team. Use the gloves, my team. Gloves and double.
Perfect. That was perfect.
Gloves
That
and
was
double, my
perfect.
team. Gloves and double.
Ah, shit, you pressed
Gloves
it twice.
and double for
Oh,
thank
my
you,
God.
sister.
All right, that's
Gloves
okay.
and double, my team.
See,
Gloves
you
and
pressed it
double.
twice. That's
Gloves
okay.
and double for
Yeah,
thank
use
you.
the glove
Gloves
if
and
you
double,
can. Use the
team.
glove if you can.
Gloves and double, Marshilla.
Use the
Thank
glove
you.
if we
Gloves
can.
and
Trainer
double, my
stand,
team.
thank you.
Glove.
Use the glove if we can, yeah. Use the glove if we can. We got 2 gloves. We got 2 gloves. Use the glove. Miss M.
Thank you, Marshall.
Yeah, use the glove if we
Thank you
can.
so
Use the glove. We
much.
still got a glove up.
Turfa, thank you.
We still got a
That you have
glove, yeah.
another
We
glove
still got a
number
glove
for
up.
you. That is it, my team.
Ah,
Mr. Unapologetic, thank you
Miss
so
M, you
much.
got how much gloves you got?
That is it, my team. Power tap your life.
How much gloves you got? Is it 1 or is it 2?
38K number 1.
Is it 1 glove or is it 2?
38K number 1.
Abby, stop pressing stuff. Oh my God. Stop pressing stuff, please. Please.
Power tap your life.
You're sending everything at once. Please don't press anything else.
Power tap your life. Oh God, man, Miss Sam.
Miss M, please use a glove for me last 30 seconds. Abby, please.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, stop pressing stuff, please. Thank you. Oh my God. We just wasted one of the gloves. But that's okay, y'all. That's okay. Y'all, wait on the glove. Miss M is going to throw a glove last 25 seconds.
We have a,
right?
we have a glove.
We got to work together. We got to snipe. They're going to snipe.
No,
All right, we got to work together. We got to snipe.
Who have a glove, my ladies? Who have a glove? Who have a glove?
Welcoming.
Who have a glove?
Yeah, she's learning. I mean, she did throw the glove on time. She just pressed it twice, which is, you know, it
Who
could
have a
happen
glove,
to
my
everybody.
ladies? Who have a glove?
To anybody, I mean. Yeah, you're stressing me out for sure.
Anybody have a glove, team?
Because the thing is, we got more games and I don't want to waste gloves because we don't have no more. But we already wasted it. So.
Anybody have a glove?
And I think Miss M probably only got 1 glove.
They're going to have a glove.
Yeah, only glove if they throw a glove.
Team snipe.
Miss M, only glove if they throw a glove.
Team snipe.
Okay, that's all right.
Team snipe.
Yeah, let's just snipe a little.
Team snipe.
Let's snipe a little, all right?
Team snipe.
He probably doesn't have any gloves. So let's just snipe a little. They can, one interstellar and they can snipe us. One interstellar and they can snipe
Team
us.
snipe. Team snipe. Team
Watch for the snipe.
Jam!
Watch for the snipe, yeah.
Alright, we should have hold that till next year.
Thank you.
Miss Unapologetic, thank you so much.
Amazing teamwork,
Marshilla, Lady Aval,
amazing teamwork.
Princess Vivian, her.
Yeah, if we win this other game, this is the last game for us. It's not. Miss M, it's not 3. It's
Share up
first
the
to 3.
life, please. Share up.
Miss M, you got a glove, Stan. You got a glove and a booster. Liar girl, you
Share
got a
up the
booster.
life,
Abby,
please,
Renish,
and thanks, Steve.
Espinosa,
Make we even get that
everybody, thank
winning.
you. Yeah, this is the
Share
last
up the
game.
life,
But if you cannot play, it's
please,
okay.
and thanks. Thank you
It's
so
okay.
much, my ladies.
Yeah, MVP Mrs. M in the chat for me. Please use her sticker.
Share up the life, then.
That was the 3rd. Yeah, but it's 2-1. I don't know if
They're gonna sound
I don't know if you
eloquent,
understand, but it's
please.
2-1. So we're 2 and he's 1. Remember, he won the 2nd game. So it's the first to 3. So it's the person who wins 3 games first. So this is gonna be the last game for us if we win. So yeah, that's how it works.
Thank you so much, my ladies team. I'll be gonna
So this is gonna be the last game for us if we win this game.
I'll be gonna small recharge.
So we gotta just try our best to try to win this game, and then that's it for the day.
My ladies, please.
All right, y'all. So all right, let me see. So trainer Stan, I'm gonna let you glove this game. I'm gonna let you use your glove on the second speed, and then I'm gonna let Miss M use her glove at the last 25 seconds. All right, let me send it, bro.
Yeah, man.
All right, yeah, this is our last game. If you win, all right, if you win, this is our last game. Please, if you can, use the first gift triples. This is the most important time to play.
First triple, yeah.
If you can, use the first gift triples. This is the most important time.
First triple, my team.
If you can, use the first gift triples, yeah.
But sister, you shoot me down. We'll catch you, my sister. We'll catch your sister. Don't worry.
Whatever we can send on the first gift triples, y'all. If we win this game, this is our last game. Oh my God.
Go team, go,
y'all, if we win this game, please, let's play together.
Make we go more with the triple.
Whatever you can send, the biggest gift you can send it on the triples, y'all.
Thank you so much, sexy channel. Make we go more with the triple. Sham, thank you. Make we go more. Make we go more.
Yeah, use it. We got 5 seconds. Use it. Use it. Miss M, thank you.
Thank you so much, Desiree.
Chain stand, thank you.
Jesus
yeah, share the live.
Man,
share the live.
Thank
if
you.
there's anybody that you think deserves to be here, please share the live to them. Alright, if there's anyone that you think deserves to be here, share the live.
Alright,
let's see if we can get the shares up.
Lady Eva.
If there's anybody here with a spear lion,
Lady Avalon, thank you so much, sister.
If there's anybody here with a spear lion, a spear galaxy, a spear flying jet, we need it. We try our best to win this game. Yeah, listen, another
everybody, sexy Changi, thank you so much, sister. Team, we need everybody in that.
Yeah, listen, another triples, y'all.
We need everybody.
This is perfect. This is the opportunity for us to try to win the game. We need 3 roses.
One help in that triple player.
Please share the live.
This is the last game we have with him. Not this is the last game, not this is the next game.
Let's try our best, y'all. Fee, thank you. Renish, thank you. Everybody, thank you. Yeah, use the triples if we can. Let's try to win this game. They're going to play.
Use the triple team.
Trainer stand. Show your glove on 30 seconds of this speed. Please show a glove on.
Use the triple. Use the triple.
Stand on
use the triple. Desiree, thank you.
Wait on the glove.
Use the triple. Use the triple team. Use the triple.
Yeah, if you got 5K, do 5 galaxies.
Use the triple.
If you got 10K, do 10 galaxies.
Use the triple shot.
Alright? Please wait on the glove.
Desiree, Lady Avalon, thank you.
There's a more chance for it to
use the triple. Use the triple. Snipe me team, snipe me triple. Shit.
Yeah, let's go on the glove if we
thank
can.
you.
Yeah, knowing him that he's probably going to get a lion or something.
Use it,
let's try to play together, y'all. We got to win this game.
Snipe. Shy, thank you so much. Snipe.
We got 15 seconds, y'all. See, you got an interstellar, y'all. Oh my God. Ah, shit. Yeah, see, no, we gotta play one more game. Oh my God. This is what I was trying to run from. I didn't want us to play another game. Oh my God. I didn't want us to have to play another game, y'all. That's what I was trying to run from. Yeah, we tried our best. We did our best, y'all. I don't think we're gonna use a glove because this is a lot to snipe. This is a lot to snipe. So no, we gotta play one more game. It's gonna be 2-2. So no, it's gonna be 2-2. So now we gotta play one more game, which is what I was trying to, you know. I didn't want us to have to play another game.
This thing them are killing their feelings. Don't fuck up in a man.
Oh, is the Miss M is the same person from the other night.
Make me go back.
It's the same person from the other night. Okay.
You miss.
Alright.
You black.
Yeah, just keep tapping the screen for me. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much.
Tell him
we're gonna try our best for the last game. So the last game is going to be the tiebreaker.
Jesus Christ.
So whoever wins the last game wins the series.
Marie, Miss Unapologetic and
yeah, if you guys can recharge something, I really appreciate it. Whatever we can do.
Big up Miss Unapologetic.
Alright, whatever we can do on the next game,
please.
Let's try to work together. We're taking revenge. Yeah, I know that's what y'all doing.
Big up yourself to me now. Team on spam MVP them
I know that's what y'all doing.
And follow up my ladies them
in the y'all taking revenge.
Yo, on tank on you know man. Oh
Bro, trust
God,
me,
me
like,
ladies, man. There's a ray.
I'm not even gonna say anything. This
Man
is like,
crazy. Man
nah,
crazy.
let me not say
Melissa.
anything.
Melissa.
Let me not say anything. Y'all amazing teamwork. Y'all for the next game, if you
Queen
guys can
Barbara and
recharge
everybody
anything,
who come out,
please.
come support me.
Whatever you can
Alison, thank
recharge
you so
something.
much. 2-2.
If you cannot, just
Game.
double tap the screen.
Well,
Alright? You
you miss out the
please use
fucking
Miss
and
M.
that, Juan.
Use Miss M emote in the chat for
Fucking
me.
done,
MVP
ladies.
Miss M. Thank you so much, Trainer Stan. Thank you.
Thank you so
Abby,
much,
thank
my
you.
ladies.
Loyal
Man.
Girl,
I really
Renee
appreciate
Fee,
that.
Michael Schofield, Marilla, Juvie, Jen Savvy, thank you. Yep, yeah, use her emote for me. Yeah, we're 13.5K from number 3. That is crazy. Amazing teamwork, y'all. Amazing teamwork. Yeah, this is the last game. So if he wins this game, he wins the series. If I win this game, I win the series. I know
Team,
Miss
the
M got
last
gloves,
game,
so
miss.
we're just gonna try our best. Hopefully we get triples and we can try to
I
maximize on the
lost game
triples.
this team. I lost
All right,
game
y'all.
this.
So on the next game, let's just
I
try our
lost game
best.
this team. I lost
Please
game.
share the live, y'all.
Faithful. Team
Please
want
share
to
the live.
big up
Listen,
Miss
that is okay.
Unapologetic in our chat too, you
We're
know.
just gonna try our best, y'all.
Want to big up Miss
Alright, please share the
Unapologetic in
live.
our chat too. Please, my ladies. You see it, she a part of where you know. Funny thing,
Let me
she
see,
there a
let me
long
see.
time. She there a
Oh, you don't have
long
no
time,
gloves?
so you know
Oh,
we have to
shit.
give thanks.
Alright,
You see
okay.
it? She come now and then and she
Yeah,
show her
can we do a
support,
glove
so we
check
have to
before
show
we
her
start
love
the
with
game,
team.
please?
Thank you,
PJ,
faithful,
welcome in.
and
Can we
thank
do a
you,
glove check,
Marie.
y'all?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Wait,
my
you have
team.
3 gloves. What? You just say you don't have none.
Hold on there. Why would not get no gloves,
Yeah,
team?
so this is the last game. Let's just do what we can. Alright, whatever we can do, let me send it. Let's just do what we can, y'all. This is the last game.
Last
Whoever
game,
wins
team.
this game, okay, Trainer Stan.
Go triple
Yeah,
team.
just double tap
See
the
if we
screen.
can go
We
crazy
got
for the
72
first
people
triple.
in the room. If everybody
Breaking
taps
courage from
50
early.
points, it
Breaking
matters.
courage from early,
Alright,
team.
if
Go
everybody
triple.
double tap the
Breaking
screen, the
courage
points
from
matters.
early, team. Use a triple, use a
Chat
triple,
first, give
use a
us
triple,
triples.
use a triple, use a triple, use a triple.
Whatever you can afford to
Use a
send it
triple,
on the
use a triple,
triples.
use a triple, use a triple.
And trust me,
Use
yeah,
a
this is
triple,
the
use a
last game.
triple,
We're
use a
gonna
triple,
play.
use a triple.
Exactly, 75 times 3, that's 225 points.
Use a triple, use a
They're
triple,
gonna
use a
play.
triple, use a triple,
Trust me.
use the triple.
This is the
Use
last
a
game.
triple, my
Whoever
team,
wins
use
this
a
game
triple.
wins the series. Listen, thank you so much.
Always, thank you.
Trainer
Use a
Stan,
triple,
thank you.
team.
Thank you. See, you got a lion. Whoever wins this game, y'all, wins the series. Miss M.
Sorry, mommy.
Y'all, all right. This is good. This is good. The score is close.
Lisa.
This is good. The score is close. Yeah, we just need a few more people playing. That's it. And we can win the game. Oh my God. We just need a few more, we just need a few more persons. Like, we can win the game, y'all. I promise you. I promise you we can win the game.
Pussy clot.
Yeah, just keep double tapping the screen for me. Welcome in, everybody. Yeah, we can win this game. All right? If we win this game, this will mean a lot.
Power tap live.
If we could win this game,
Power
this would
tap
mean a whole
live,
lot.
team. Power tap live.
Yeah, listen, another triples. Oh my God. Yeah, share the live. Share the live. If there's one person that you think deserves to be here,
Jesus Christ, I
share
want
the
another
live
triple
today.
this. Team, we need everybody. Team, we can't depend on one person. We
Yeah,
can't.
let me sit up for this game.
Oh,
Let me sit up for this game. Yeah, we need 4 roses. Get the speed, y'all. We need 4 roses.
We have make everybody come together, my ladies. I know team I got you.
Come on,
we
y'all, we can
everybody
do
come
this.
together.
Come on, y'all. I know we can do this. Yeah, triples.
Triple.
Come on, y'all. We can do this, y'all.
Use a triple, my team. Use
Come on,
a
we
triple,
can
use
do
a
this.
triple. Lisa,
Yeah,
thank
go
you
on the
so much.
triples if
Use
we
a triple,
can.
use a triple. Use it.
Go on the triples if we can, y'all. He's not that far away.
Go, team. Them are gonna
He's not
slide
that
me,
far away, y'all.
Thank
Come
you,
on, we
my
can do
team.
this. Welcome in,
Desiree,
everybody.
thank you so much. Thank you so
Come
much,
on, y'all. We
Pamela.
can
Thank
do
you.
this. We can win this game.
Team snipe, shit. Team
Ah.
snipe. I last game, this is the better team snipe.
Come on, y'all. We can win this game. Go on the triples if we can. Go on the triples if we can.
Team snipe,
Yeah,
team
snipe the triples.
snipe, big, me not
Snipe
tell
the
you, no,
triples.
man.
Miss
Snipe!
Yeah, snipe the triples, y'all. Snipe the triples. Somebody else. Snipe. Snipe the triples. Snipe the triples.
I'm crazy.
Oh shit, you missed. Oh shit. Yeah, it missed. The second one missed the triples. Oh my God. Bro, this guy is so lucky. Oh my God. Miss M, please. Yeah, it missed. That's okay. It happens. Miss M, please. Throw a glove last 30 seconds.
Thank you so much.
Throw a glove last 30 seconds. Yeah.
We have no gloves.
Oh my God. Let's see if we can
We
make
have
this
no
game.
gloves, team.
Yeah, we're daily number 2. Come on, yeah. Come on. Come on, yeah. Let's do what we can.
Dip in that fucking bag. Because we finna go crazy.
Yeah, come on.
Sister, dip in that fucking bag.
Yeah, we're gonna throw a glove last
That one
25
finna go
seconds. Let's do what we
crazy.
can.
Power tappy life, power tappy life, power tappy life. Dip in that fucking bag.
Come on, yeah, we can do this.
Come on,
we
team.
just need a few more persons playing.
All right, we have a gloves in
everything
I-30.
counts. Your money guns, your
We have a gloves
galaxies,
in I-30,
everything
my team.
counts.
We have a gloves in I-30.
Alright, everything counts, yeah.
Power tappy life, we have a gloves in I-30.
Everything counts.
We have a gloves in I-30. Who have a gloves? Who have a gloves?
Please do not
Talk to me
think
now,
your
my ladies.
galaxy.
Who have a glove?
Your
Jesus,
galaxy or your
twice.
money gun does not matter. It matters. Everything matters. Y'all, he's literally like 32K away.
Power tappy life.
He's like 32K away, y'all.
Power tappy life.
He's like 32K away. We can snipe this. Y'all, wait on the glove. Wait on
Team,
the
we're not
glove.
on a glove.
Y'all, he doesn't have a glove. We can snipe this chat.
Team,
He
we
doesn't
have
have a
no
glove.
glove.
Y'all, he doesn't have a glove. We can snipe.
Drop a glove. Drop a glove. Drop a glove now, team. Drop it in a glove
Yeah,
in a
we can
20
snipe. We
20
can snipe
seconds.
this.
Drop a glove now. Drop a glove now. Drop a glove now.
We
Drop
can
a glove
snipe.
now.
This.
Lord.
Yeah, somebody
Drop a
else
glove now.
go.
Drop a glove. Team
Please.
snipe. Team snipe. Team
Please.
snipe. Team
We
snipe.
need
Team
this
snipe,
win,
team
yeah.
snipe,
We
team
need this
snipe.
win.
Team snipe. Team snipe.
Yeah,
Team snipe. Team snipe.
somebody gives. We
Me,
need
it
this
a
win.
missing
We
out.
need
Them a
this
miss
win.
over there. Team snipe. Them a miss.
Yeah,
Team
he's 20
snipe, them a
something K
miss.
away. Snipe,
Shit,
snipe,
you must snipe me,
snipe,
team
snipe,
Sexy
snipe, snipe, snipe.
Wackle them a killer them fearing still. No, fuck up you. Wackle them a killer them fearing still.
Yeah, this guy.
Yeah.
This guy is so lucky. Oh my God, bro.
Wackle them a killer them
This guy is so lucky. Chad, thank you guys so much. Oh my God.
Sister.
Oh my God, amazing teamwork, y'all.
Sister, you know.
Amazing teamwork.
When we are go against
Y'all,
your
if we
sister,
had like 2 more persons
fight.
playing, we would have won the game.
Sister, you
Amazing
know when we
teamwork.
are come up against you, we come for fight.
Amazing teamwork, y'all.
You see?
Amazing teamwork.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
please use Miss M sticker in the chat for me. I want to see the whole chat. Flood the chat with her sticker for me, please. Flood the chat with her sticker for me, please.
Let me see
Flood the
Blackheart
chat,
then.
flood the
Let me
chat.
see Blackheart then.
Flood the chat with her sticker for me.
Juicy Faye, Lady Avalan, Desiree, Lisa,
Yeah,
Sassy One.
this is the thing. I want,
Man
you
crazy,
guys to
Melisha.
understand. This game
Mr.
is not
Unapologetic.
like this is not
Thank you.
a prepared game or anything. This is just we literally just request each other and we just play. This is not like a scheduled battle or anything. So this is absolutely crazy. Yeah, we got 200 people in the room. Please, if you guys can grab a heart me. If you got one kind and you can grab a heart me, grab a heart me. That's the only gift that I need from you guys. If you can grab a heart me, grab a heart me. I'm just coming back to streaming, so I'm trying to get the heart me's up. Alright, I'm trying to get the heart me's up. So if you guys can grab a heart me, it will mean a lot. Alright, please.
But you know, say really,
Y'all, amazing.
Maria go get
Amazing.
The other team them just
Amazing
come together
teamwork.
and
Alright,
drop
thank
in
you.
a little race.
Amazing
and
teamwork, yeah.
make it
Thank you
look
guys
nice.
so much.
Chicken
Honestly.
and rice. Sexy Changi. Oh, forgot the queen.
Thank you
Yeah,
guys.
forgot the
If you
queen.
guys can grab a heart me, please
You know,
grab a
we
heart
want
me.
to show some
Mrs.
respect.
M,
when
thank
they
you
game
so
over here.
much.
We want to show
Stand on
sexy
business,
Changi.
thank you.
See
Amila,
that
thank you.
girl, eh?
Listen,
Don't take her
Only
down,
Famous,
man. That girl, like,
Altours,
you know what I
Loyal
mean?
Girl,
Big
Renish,
support.
Wail,
Oh, for you.
everybody.
You know why she there
Thank you so
every
much.
day. I want everybody take your time out and big up sexy
Thank you
Changi
guys,
to me.
amazing.
Juicy
Amazing
Fame,
teamwork.
big up yourself to my sister.
Yeah, if the
big up
Lion
yourself
did not
too.
miss the triples,
But I want to
we'd have
big
won
up
the game.
sexy Changi to my team.
But it happens.
Believe
It happens.
me.
If the second Lion did not miss the triples, we'd have won the
Believe
game.
I want to big up sexy
No, we're not
Changi.
playing anymore. Nah, I'm not pressuring my people.
Thank you, my team.
You see, if I had like multiple people playing, then
I'm
that would
gonna
have
tell you
been a
now
different
why
story.
you not
But
see certain things.
you
You see,
know,
because she
yeah,
in
I'm
a
not doing
post.
that.
On
This
not
was a good
realize
game.
how many kind sexy Changi really are put
You
up.
see, you know what's crazy?
I
all
can't
you guys that are saying play one
not
more.
really sure. But
Yeah,
just
always
really
get a heart
support
me. Like,
me,
get a
good
heart
me
me.
team. Sexy Changi.
Please,
we
if you can get a heart
appreciate
me, that's all we
princess.
need.
Thank
Get a
you
heart
so much.
Bro,
We appreciate
game.
you over here, princess. You see? Thank you
good
so
games as
much.
always. This was
Big up
crazy.
yourself.
This was
You
crazy.
see? Marie, my mother, thank you. Juicy
Bro,
Faye, thank you.
I'll catch you next time. Now, while you know.
Yo,
Now, while you
yo,
know.
yeah, Faithful, thank you. Mr. Unapologetic, Princess Vivian, all of them. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yo, bro.
amazing
You
teamwork.
don't know when
Bro.
when we pull up my ends are cut neck settings, my dog. I this
Alright.
at me last time, you know,
Alright.
2-3, you know. You see?
Yeah, true,
Cut neck
true.
settings, my dog. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, no joke. Yeah, we are gonna run something. Don't worry yourself.
All right, my bro.
That's it on.
Team, number one in the popular, number one in the ranks. That is it, my team. Power tap your life, them ladies. Please, Anton. Chat. Who no come from planet Earth? Chat. So you mean for tell me, say, on a deal with the man so crazy, and on never lazy. Where did I come from planet Earth? Chat. A serious repercussion them there, no? A serious busted settings that, you know? Jesus Christ. Team. That's how me know. I want to stop questioning. If I saw you go, I saw you go. The best team. No question that for bro. Something wrong with them? When I see that plain sight. When I see that the best team. I got alone can come from heaven and tell us so we don't have the best side, boy. The team I got team. You know who me did want to play and me nobody want to play. Me man do this. Hey, the man you see that jump me anytime I see a man do that again I jump, you know. When you just say, bet my black juicy for out of my chat. Just say, fair.
No, you can't black juicy for. Yeah, man, go ahead and black for chat.
Take Soji out of my background. Take Soji out of my background.
Soji? Force like a rabbit, you know.
Me not telling you say me alone enough for have. First thing me go call Juicy Faye now, Jaja Star. And me I say sister. You Soji? Me say sister. Me I beg you to interstill there. Video call you too, you know. I see she stays a Jaja Star. I Soji in her back, you know him talk, you know. Well, I got you, and Soji in her back stays, sir. You know him not say nothing already, you know. And when you look, me I say sister, hear her. No, but just fly down and me there Ochi rafting. I drink pina colada with Soji. I might knock out the 2 on the blood clot. I will knock out on the blood clots. Yeah, and him cock up, para. I drink peanut. Look at him over there and they did laugh. I don't think them like, see them? Yeah, see them? Them spot you, Soji. Soji, them spot you. And them fuck with them like. Me don't want to pronounce one. Me don't want to pronounce one, you know. Richie, what are you dealing?
No, sir, you that man, you have food, man. You man, we must see your thing no normal, you know. We must we not really highlight.
Yeah, be a thing you go out with, you know.
We not, you see me.
But big up yourself, my dog, I pray.
You know, see the day around one.
Well, Bookie, remember what you do me last time, you know, my youth.
No, me not have no smoke at this moment. No smoke there, right? I'm sure you say you're isn't it?
Yeah,
Guys, don't do enough to do for me, please. Do
Jesus
enough.
Christ, Steve. No matter when Bookie come over here, come embarrass me. In idea,
None of that, man. None of that, man. None of that, nah. Guys, wanna help me out.
Use the first triple of them.
Help me out. Help me out. Help me
Dave,
out.
use the
Help me
first
out.
triple of them for me, them chat.
Shoot
Please.
pan the triple, please.
Use the first
Help me
triple.
out.
Use the first triple of me team.
Shoot pan the triple, please. Cause we have to watch me now. Cause man has smoke, man. You know. Full of
Use the first triple, Sassy one. Thank you. Use the triple. Use the triple. Use the triple. A 6 nuggets you have over them. You borrow them, me that.
Somebody help
Use
me,
the triple, my
please.
team. Use the triple. Use the triple. Use the triple. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple. Use the triple, my team. Jesus Christ, Uncle Bookie. I fall off.
Jesus Christ, me fall off, dog.
Me fall off, Bookie.
Me fall off more.
No, man, alright. That is it, there, man. Everything.
No, me have smoke. Remember say last time I beat you?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Remember say last time I beat you? I said, yo, re.
My youth, me never ready, my youth. They did give me a chance.
No, well, today, me not ready today. Me not ready today. Me not ready today then.
Team, power up like power up. Around another triple way I get me sorry for your bum buckler over here. Me, watch where I am. Another triple me team.
Shoot me like
no.
Shoot me like
team.
Shoot me
Just you want
like
to pick up yourself, you know. Thank you so much. Mine is just now? Power tap live, my team. Power tap live, my team. Power tap live, my team. Power tap live. Book in nobody can recharge 13 lion and send yourself a laugh.
Brother, me not doing that, brother.
Oh, you come off a recharging app.
No,
Power tap live.
None of that, dog. None of that, brother. Watch out now. Catch your speed now.
You know them money, man.
Catch your speed now. Catch your speed. Catch your speed now. Catch your speed now. Lord God, catch your speed.
Bro, I hear me about bookie them before me know say them money in your bookie for chewing on my youth.
Remember say we know you a long time to come. Remember say your food. Remember say your food.
But man, but man, I you that man, bro, man. Team, use that triple. Use that triple. Bookie, you know who first tell me boy, you believe me?
Who that?
Better you can't tell me. Enhance.
No, I'm a dog that man.
Yo, believe me, bro. I'm a dog, man. The dog tell me, man. Cause we used to tear up the place down here, you must hear it now, bro.
Yeah,
the dog say, you have a dog down so named Bookie. If me say, me I say, I saw me know you're my dog, man. Believe
yo,
me.
Me boy, yo, them man they can't tell you out. And we are forced you to put them on stage.
No, man, the dog tell me what. Unforgettable. Thank you so much, princess.
Guys, you know, man, come on, beat me very badly.
Thank you so much.
Keep on this.
Team, can I beg on 3 more Galaxy, please?
Oh God, Peekaboo, somebody can help me. I need you, Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I need
What a player, my team.
Yeah, man, I'm a boy for you, man, isn't it?
Yeah, man, bro. Believe me, man. The dog fought on the ground and I say, yo. Cause I'm a dog, you know. The dog, I say, yo, bro, wackle. Man, I tell me, say, wackle, you're no mad yet, man. Our dog don't say,
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh, books, man. Crazy. I say,
You don't know a joke, kind of.
no, man. Yo, I don't know, Captain, me I tell you, no, that boss me there for lie, me I tell. From here, me call that the name there and tell you that, bro.
Yeah,
the most
know
boss
that. I want connection, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Go on.
Team, power tap the live there, please, and
Guys, you can't help me. You can't help me. Eh? You really not going to help me.
good. We can beg on a Galaxy at 8 and a half, my team. Beg on some Anna, no, my ladies.
Guys, you sure
Beg
me.
on some Anna feed Anna.
Share up my life. You just be genuine. Share up my life. Watch out now. When you send me life to me woman. Send me life to my woman and beat him right now. Cause you know me woman get alive and I tell her say I did it.
John, thank you. My youth, I boss your jelly, I left you dead upon the ground for flatter, man.
Everything good, man. Everything good, man.
Pamela, pick up yourself, you know. I beg on some Anna, my ladies, please and thanks. And Zia, thank you so much.
Somebody help me out now. No sure.
Pamela, thank you.
Snipe. Oh, God.
Thank you so much, my ladies. Lana Dean, thank you.
John Star, dad. John Star.
Bro, you realize I'm from...
Pussy clad, dad.
Me nah burn off the weekend, bro. Unforgettable, thank you. Sassy one, thank you. Lottie, Wally, love, you know. Chat you a big, you know, a small.
Guys, you know, can't help me out, brother. Eh? You know, can't help me out.
Use a triple A, my team.
Guys, you know, shoot now.
Okay, say all when I start the TikTok. I want to hear all the dog them deal with me in my place. And Topstar Roses in my name. I say, oh, that Topstar Roses.
Topstar Roses.
Use a triple, use a triple, use a triple, use a triple, use a triple. Use a triple, use a triple, my team. Use a triple, my ladies. Use the first triple, my ladies. Use a triple, my team.
Man just beat me. I can't make him beat me. So
Unforgettable!
Jesus Christ have mercy. Lord Christ have mercy. Somebody help me up now. Help me. I'm gonna help me now, man. Bust me.
Yeah, man, team. When I just start do that in my community, man, when the man say me, man, the man said, I can't believe you wackle. I wackle and call me, man, I say, oh, that Topstar Roses. Right now, every man asks me for show them how them can go live. You see, I'm somebody way that trouble me say Topstar Roses.
I true, man, enough you nail up it thing I know they want to do it.
No, they want to do it. But okay, watch you know. A long time I do it, you know, from where you name again. That the youth that did come from Kingston.
Who that?
Me not even remember a Papa I call the dog, man. I look skinny, tall youth and the dog favor in a way, bro. And a long time I know I go live and I run on a joke them and then look a thing there, brother. You see it?
I know that.
And he come from Spain, man, and the dog get a bill of house them time they are Spain.
Oh, when Chopper.
Yes, bro, Chopper.
Yeah. Chopper.
I'm a dog, you know.
Yeah, man, Chopper.
Yeah, man, I'm a dog, man.
Along, me and him still connect, man.
I'm a dog, man, believe.
Dog over so you know.
Far in the dog live?
Yeah.
One rounds. A long time in a year shot fire about the dog, you know. Years,
yeah,
bro.
man, and the dog still connect, man. It's me kind of.
That's up the dog for me when you voice him, man, bro.
Yeah, man, kind of on me snap, dog. It's me so we always connect through there, you know.
Yeah.
Guys, one more rose. Yeah, man, cause a long time we used to go live and
long time, bro. Me I tell you what, about 5 years now, you go live, bro. Someone would even build it before me all up on TikTok, bro. You see it?
A long time we go live, man. A long time.
Team, use that triple A, my team. Use that triple A, use that triple A, my team.
Guys,
Use that
help me
triple A.
out now. Stain boss. Yo,
Use that triple A.
Somebody help me now, please.
Use it, triple. Use
No,
it,
I'm gonna
triple.
make him man beat me up. Him man beat me already, and I'm gonna make him beat me again.
Use the triple, use the triple, team. Use the triple, my ladies. Use the triple, my ladies. Use the triple, use the triple. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple, use the triple, use the triple, my team. Use the triple.
Somebody shoot on the triple.
Use that triple, my team. Use that triple, use the triple. Team, we can snipe that triple, we can snipe it. We can snipe it, team. We can snipe it.
Somebody help me on the triple.
Ladies, unforgettable. Thank you so much.
Oh, glad. Somebody, nobody.
You can beg on a Galaxy, my team. Team, you can beg on a Galaxy.
Somebody begging me, help me. I beg you, help me. No man, I beg you.
You know, see me a church out, man.
Help.
I mean, you know, help me now, man.
I'm in the mouse, you know, man. Yo.
What a pillar the team. Power tap like them, team. Power tap like them. Please and thanks. Yes, oh, that I need. Unforgettable. Thank you so much. You get our gloves, you know. Shut. I can't me say that me say. I can't another person let me say. Let me act like I know that me say a while ago. And Nelly. Yo, Boke. Big up yourself, you know, my brother.
Alright, there, man.
No change, my dog. Big up yourself.
Alright, we're out here.
Fully.
Chop.
No, dog. Yeah, who me see that a while ago? Who me see? Is that Chanelly? Can't Chanelly that.
Tengo ese tipo de esos plátanos. Tengo ese tipo de esos plátanos.
Where's the Wi-Fi? No problem. A big help me now, man. I suffer me, I suffer. You know, see me, I church out me. Hello, my scamming that girls. Chanelly Wagwan. Me can't believe you dash me away and long you gone. Alright, 36 to 300. Okay, I'll leave you at 300 and come back later, my team. Power tap live, my team. 4, alright, we want 35k and 4 or not. We just want 35k, 4 or not, my ladies. Power tap live, my team. Unforgettable, thank you, you know, Prince, big up, bro. Cute face, thank you so much. Team, we can beg on us on Anna. We are beg my ladies them son Anna. Unforgettable, big up, you know. I beg my ladies them son Anna, please and thanks. We can beg on us on Anna. Anna, my ladies. I beg my ladies them son Anna, the please. Power tap life, power tap life, power tap life. Power tap life, the please and thanks. Joan, thank you. We are begging us on Anna, my ladies. Begging us on Anna, my team. In living! But in living mood, I'm going to split up them there, like 10 Anna. Thank you so much. You know, so I'm going to end my life. Soji, come talk to them people, man. Soji. Soji. The people must shout here, brother. They must shout here, come look in our chat. Look in our chat. I can't bother with them, man. I block me up. Soji. See from today, me I done party, my dog. I don't want party again, my dog. You see? Please. Jesus Christ. I make juice. Black and bossy. Yo, you know some me and them woman I have serious things. No, man, I'm serious. Man, we don't know. Serious like a judge. What up your life? Heather Smith, pick up yourself, you know. Watch Mackie with the DPH. Mackie, you love man too much. What's so G? If him cook. No, him can't cook. Soji can't cook. Soji piece bed, you know. No, not gonna like him. No. Yeah, him piece bed. No, not gonna like him. You see it? Yesterday, me beg a dog cook little rice in me. Him burn it up. Him burn up all that rice. Yes, what I say? Him burn up the rice. So no, not gonna like him. He can't cook. You see it? Yesterday, me hear, yesterday, I went, or last week, me hear one girl I send him one voice note. So what do you think, daddy, man? You can't even beat my skin properly. I said, man, you really make girl I send you them voice note, the dog?
When you go over there, man, and there's rough seed and
Power up your life.
I want little rough seed and tell me say you can't manage.
That's so much I don't want to teach Soji. Alright then, come. Come here, chat. Him not cheap, you know. I'm not telling you no lie. Him not cheap. So any girl can send me 1,000 donut. Take him and go on. Just 1,000 donut. 1,000 donut, man, I beg you. That is 1 grand donut. Such a guy.
Come boy,
Big man.
the big boy, come. You're so giant and you see a trunk on your
God, them no believe said that. What you know?
The black eye shine. True.
There's a judge and dog, black and shine.
And trunk for them. They must see chest. They want them with the chest, you know?
And them no believe so, yeah. I suck my day, you know. See my team. I don't know what your name is. I him name. I don't know what your name, son. Somebody say it.
Yeah.
Yo, me name what I'm doing, you know. Boy.
Cold food.
Yo, no problem, you know. The war.
Yeah,
Me have weed, you know. Oh, that you smoke. Not for your boy that.
that's a nice.
Power tap your light, them, lady. That's the
Richie toast the donut
Mr.
yet.
to Joseph. Mr. Joseph.
Hey, man.
Him gone.
England.
Into his bumbuck. Hey, listen to me. Me no know if the man even have him woman. Post him have him woman. Me no know. Me can't give him a so. So you no love me again?
I'm going to pay for you.
No, we can't. We not sell him.
Nah, sorry, man.
Ask him. Him much too shy. Him not gonna answer me. Man afraid of him own self. Share this kid. Yo. That's what I'm talking about. No, not Soji doing it. Me. No, me. Power up your life.
So you keep you safe like Clifford the Big Red
My
Dog.
girl, them love Soji for through my yard. Through them go crazy for you, dog.
Girl, I want so you keep them safe like Clifford the Big Red Dog, you know?
When we worst thing, my yard. I really can't take what you know. I really do not understand. For sure, bro. Them really can't take a good hour with a beat up. A slapping at them skin. You see it? I'm gonna go tap out. Is that what me know? Them can't. When me attack it straight then. You can't take a hour with a beat. Me know that, so me not even pay on no mind.
Chat. Me from what day, me tell boss say oh and go on something there, you know. Where's his name again? Yesterday remember I name for tell you the thing, you know.
Seriously, shit. Here, yeah. So lie me I tell. Talk for yourself.
So physics and science one.
Yo, Rebel, me I go talk for you. You can't see say Rebel. I want to look shy, big man and them thing there. So me I say, touch him. My youth leave now. Can't take a good hour with a punching, yeah? Where's the judge stamp?
Bad sister, man.
Don't but I chew me at that though.
Can be.
Me don't know that, bro, my youth.
Can be.
None of them way see there and I chat off them mouth. You see, them a go tap out. So, me not pay on no mind. Rebel is what her name said. You don't know that's for me. I mean, I think Rebel go why you know that. You don't know that. Eh? T, I'ma be honest with you now. I'ma be honest with you now. We drink up a burger NEC. We drink up a burger Dan William. And we drink up a burger Remy Martin. And we burn with herb.
The meringue and sour something me drink though.
And we drink up a meringue and sour sop. Strong backer we little thing them and we eat a morning time, you know, with the way we sell.
Be a cook food.
Be a cook food. When we are work, we are work.
Full performance.
Full performance.
Rough cut and a zinc fence.
Yeah, Jaja stop. Yeah, no, me as a charge. So, I'm saying that to say this. You can't manage the flame. You not come in the kitchen with the heat and run out tight. Believe me. As God liveth, ask if it. Jaja. As God liveth, ask if it.
I tell you, that's a rough cut and a
Yes, that. Carl Skull. What ask Skull the last time? So I don't feel like a lie, me I tell Carl Skull. I call system. Cause they don't believe me. This can go on speaker. Warbrain. Oh, a system. What go on, bro? Watch you now. Me there on live. And me ask you something. You see it live at ear, you know, bro. You hear me, my dog? I wanted to kill this on the phone, you know, but listen. Remember one time we go on Airbnb with Judge Storm and the whole away? Me I say, remember one time we go on Airbnb with Judge Storm and the whole away? And Judge Storm take away a girl and carry her in her room. How long Judge Storm in there fucking girl for? Alright, Chihuahua, go on. Yo, me I tell my people, them say, man, I work for about 2 hours straight. And all you hear, a man not slow wine, none of that.
Him not slow wine or nothing, bro. Just beat hard and hard.
So, alright, my big brother. Big up yourself, cause maybe they don't believe me, cause somebody do want your confirmation, my bro. Big up yourself, system. So, me I tell you no.
Mommy, I'm so sorry.
So, on the care manage flame. Them man they report organs, brother. Believe me, them man they report organs, bro. You see? So, unu tande them and feel like say, yo, I'm too no man. Watch Rebel go kiss me teeth. So, unu go and feel like say, yo. Alright then. Alright, you're Josephine, not my speed. I want soldier man at your speed. You feel like say I'm gonna do nothing different?
All of them are my sister, them my youth.
No, but I don't like say them say Ray. Me I gotta ask you a question. It's a soldier man we are talking about right now. You feel like him gonna do nothing different?
Rough cut zinc fence.
Okay. But me I tell you, a man them a young boy, man they no whining at them. You see it? I bruise him and then bruise skin under the innocent and then done all that. Yo, me not lie. No. Quick round here. No, quick round here.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna be right. I'm gonna say I'm gonna
It is up to wine and crab him style. Ladies, up to wine and to crab him style. Judge, I look like that girl, dog. Anyway, you sent her a sushi tan. At the same time. Yo, my youth. Me not lie. You're working on me, dad.
Yeah, oh, yesterday I watched crypto.
También de Superman.
Yo, Skull man, where's my ear, Skull man? My yo, Wackle. Me out here, sang me a bill to a reading here, man. Yo, Jaja. I said, don't come in the living room, bro. I said, well, I know. When I tell them I'm going in the kitchen, bro. Come in my room, you know. Bro, me I hear you from my room, you know, bro. You see how I know, say, yo, you're not running the joke, bro. You see, I'm come in the living room, go in the kitchen. Especially when I come in the kitchen, I want to hear load the blood clot, girl. So in them, my youth. And a long time you're working on my youth. Bro, girl, Lord, I come like gas. Love me, my love. Shy. You see, you just serve your waste man in my youth. Lord. Yeah, tell you, bro, from my room there, you heard, bro. You think I like me? I think. Bro, you tell you me here. So me I walk come to the living room. I'm going to the kitchen. My man in the living room, and the man sit down in the living room. I hear, bro. And me going in the kitchen near to where your room there. And I start to hear it loud and the tragic. Diana, bless up yourself, you know, Diana. Well, it is a wow. Well, it is a wow. Power tap your live, my team, please, and thanks. If you can share up your live with the 1.2 million taps, you know. Thank you, my ladies.
Enough taps.
She see me rolling, they hating. A trolling, they trying to catch me riding dirty. Check catch me riding dirty. My music so loud. Team, make no some Galaxy, no please. And ladies, them can send me some Galaxy. Boy, chat. I'm big on a 33. I'm big on a 33K, my team. One of my ladies, them can send me some Galaxy. Jaja, did I use Chinese brush when you're in Chinese or Jaja? Phenomenal, thank you, Money G. Thank you, just call me, thank you. Phenomenal woman, thank you so much. We can make one more team. 130K. One name Chinese brush. One name Chinese brush team. Stone. Me know name Stone though. Bro. Me no think no young boy can not use them thing there, bro. We are young youth, you know. Harbor, thank you, all of you, holy for love, you know. At that me as a team, we are young boy.
I the bomb, but hey, you know when I'm dead we laugh today.
Me don't want to forget that, you know, ladies. We are young boy.
Like I laugh in a vocabulary.
Spanish fly.
Not go something. What we are doing with that?
No man, if a young boy, bro, you see all some man when me see use all honey pack and them little thing. Me no use them thing then, bro.
Never boss one.
No, bro. Me sit me magnum, man. Me sit me magnum, bro. Tell you, man, I'm a charge. You see, that's all if my tip all my magnum in some Campari, my dog. And I beat it, so.
Go vitamin in my body.
Man, tell you, man, R.I.P., man. Man, tell you, we are young boy, child. Patrol in the chat and catch me riding dirty. Team, power tap the live for me there, please and thanks. Power tap the live for me there, please and thanks, my ladies. Team, we are big enough. Can big enough something up, my ladies. I don't know if I can chisel down Power Top Life. Favor, thank you so much. Timo One, 29K. Favor, mommy, big up, you know. Timo One, 29K, we need my team. Favor, mommy, whole heap of love, you know. 29K, my team. Favor, mommy, thank you. Chat, just beg on some help and push up little, no, my ladies. Beg on some help, man. Favor, mommy, thank you. Beg on some help, my team. In living, thank you so much. SMR, thank you. Just help me push me, ladies. SMR, thank you so much. Juicy Famous Sister, thank you. Just help me push me, team. Thank you, Juicy Famous. Phenomenal woman. They're gonna stop. Just help me push up my team. We're almost at 300. That's the little niggas that. Where the blind living blacks. With a baby girl, ain't gonna die.
I cried on the news when I had changed the law. And niggas still talk about me, she gotta change for y'all. I've been famous since 18, I ain't really changed at all. Niggas getting in your head, that shit might change your dog. I changed my drawers. Pimp it on my Glock when I wake up. Crazy part, this shit just made my block really break up. On the motivation.
See, we are making some push up. Melanie, thank you so much.
Never she really when she see me fix her makeup. Flying 12 hours, I be in God when I wake up. Ain't no real niggas believing that line shit they made up. I stand on everything I say, when I'ma stay up. Trying to take my homie out the country cause he can't stop my other brother. Life inside the cell, they got him caged up. 18 years and they seen since they trying to break us. I'm riding through the trench, 200 shots, they trying to take us. I gotta make it home to little Poppy, he got A+. I'm so poppin', they don't probably
But what up, like my team? Help me push up.
I'm just so.
Why you gonna look at me, love me, and change your mind?
I'm reading everything, wrote a book about all your lies. I'm peeping everything, super crooked, that's in the squad. My homie lied to me while he looked at me in my eyes and shit. She kinda hurt me, but really was surprised. When the blind lead the blind, you really fuck up your mind. And the times be the times 40 without a dime. And the only thing I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have me.
Can't talk about nothing. Boy, I'm living proof.
How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around the mall, get ready, back and go, y'all.
Pepper up, think I show up.
I ain't even give it yet. Running up a city shit.
Staying off the internet.
Share the stage, Billy Island. Talking in the given time.
Person on positive, talking cause I got you shut out.
Only thing they should be saying, baby, keep it silent. Keep it to you, should be this shit, should divide.
Working a hustle or nothing, so you gon' stick to violence.
I can only run down on doubt it, so I can't speak about it.
She know I'm a gangster, she love me, I bring the freak about her. I'm in a different league. What you gon' do for me? Thousand times I might have been there every time I get some Z. Full court pressing on the neck and I can let him breathe.
Blood, sweat, and tears come with you shaking, ain't nowhere ain't easy.
On the fall back, you know that go.
You know, speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much animal. See the nigga from Atlanta. I spend my last check on ammo.
This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kid could've put that on that old Lambo.
Told me in the bricks, I flip this shit forever.
But what up?
This shit's gonna be serious, but my money's ain't no fucking play though. Run it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the driver, he's been good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47 sent the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball a little. I'm the middle calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden chop for real. Go out, finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm
But what up, like, thank you so much.
I'm just trying to ball a little. I'm the middle calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden chop for real. Go out, finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out no grind still. I need everything to start the deal.
Overbuying cars, smash the ball just for motivation.
Shoot out at the back and think tomorrow we in a new location. Free all of the guys off the ground, be a case of probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now it's where I'm living up on the house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got stuff on the pull up and spray it. Living like a dime, I smoke a blunt in the back of the Maybach. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I can do the work, got the double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, but taught me that way back. Come on, took it off, I was always talking.
But what up, like?
Keep it in this house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay it. Never be a bother, if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my house, so when I'm old, I can change, play back. Bring it from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to volunteer. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, me all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go out, finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm not gonna grind instead. I need effort, you just trying to feel. I'm just trying to volunteer. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, me all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go out, finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm not gonna grind instead. I need effort, you just trying to feel.
You're the killer party tonight. You're the killer party. You're the dog. You're the dog. Shit is crazy when I look at my son. I see a guy.
Can't complain when my niggas ain't living.
And we alive. Charlie tell me we would've made it without him. And he's surprised. At the Grammy, the line on the stage, right in his eyes.
I tell Chino he should stay out the trenches, but he decide.
What says so all going?
We gon' ride.
Brother, we're fan 345.
2 evidence, small percentage, we gon' die. This bulletproof, and I my mind think better. So chill, crowd, this shit I'm smoking, make my mind think better. So we get out, never put these thoughts on my girl level.
She ain't lying if I thought if I told her I love her, then she a lie.
Remember I was telling niggas stack that paper,
Fuck it and buy.
Remember I was telling niggas can't chase these millions, fuck it and buy. Now I'm Romans starting to clutch on each other. Let's get it out. Now I'm Romans and they trusting each other. I swear to God, black and Jesus take my freedom cause it glitch like that. Bulletproof in the trenches cause it gets like that. They took the bullets off but it gets right back.
Since I was Jaja in the DM, that bitch hit right back. Facts. I never wanted to be this rich. Quarantine, I make millions on my wrist, yes.
Quarantine, I make you
Noodle with the fish, yeah. And only thing a nigga failed was a piss test.
Diamond shot at the Holy Grail and all my shit wet. And all these niggas know me well, wait, no bitch press.
Like they don't know that
shit up cause that bitch press.
They downgraded and I upgraded the big jet.
Told them when they put my jet, I need 2 stewardess. They know I'm spending on them days, how you doing this?
50K swag, don't check the price is ludicrous. I put up all 2 changes that don't know what my future is.
My shit winning like baby out here. My old and newest shit, gotta keep a gun with 21 shots. The damn shoot some shit, free my sons, free my hops. I rep that 18 and baguettes, that's my truest block. And I can't trust you, I can't tell you, tell the truth or not. I've been too busy framing.
Take me can gonna like I fuck with their shit.
How can you find someone's current location using their mobile number? For instance, if a loved one is running late and not answering their phone, simply enter their mobile number to view their location on a map.
Download the app.
You can also locate someone even if they are missing or unreachable by entering their number. The app is easy to use.
So make I use the app here watch girl. Download the app, hold on, let me download the app here. Power Tap Live. Me find an app for watch girl just down. You know for watch my one my youth? Download my app. So they must say only if she run late still.
No, if I
alright, download. I have to download the app there. You know what you know woman chat? I know you're proud of me.
Look all the shit I prevailed, the youngest in the seas.
Just make my family eat well, I give it what they need.
How about we always be well? I told brother change your ways. I'm praying he don't see hell day. I'm praying I don't see hell. And I'm telling what I do for my family, just know I mean well.
So
no, you ain't next to me.
Thank you.
No, you ain't next to me.
Ain't not.
I'm hoping you can see. I'm praying you can see.
$1 million curse turned $1 million dream. $1 million on the burger cheese. Thank you so much. $1 million diamonds on my brother, getting on me. Thank you to take up in the grass for what you showed me. Team, we are begging on the tree. We are begging on some Anna, the place. They're gonna song Anna, my team. 23K done.
I ain't understand your words back then, but that's the old me.
Now look at me now. I'm on the left and say they're waiting for me like 23 down.
Too many voices in my head, just know I'm hearing you loud. I'm walking around smiling on my face, just know I'm hurting inside. Oh yeah, I'm hurting inside. So I want diamonds on diamonds on diamonds galore.
Chain after chain after chain, what's the word?
But it seemed to be the only thing that made me happy.
I lost my soul when I lost my daddy. I know, are they proud of me? Look how the shit I rebuild, the youngest in the seas. When they show the family eat well, I give them what they need.
How about we always be well?
I told bro to change the ways.
I'm praying he don't see jail, I'm living other days. I'm praying I don't
Thank
see
you
jail.
so much, Florida girl.
For my family, just know I mean well. No, you ain't next to me. No, you ain't next to me. I'm hoping you can see. I'm praying you can see.
Because they turn $1 million dreams.
Right past the block, my dad got left on the scene.
Look at my little bro now. Look at the
Kings. Shit turned me a grown man before I was 17. Had to go and play my own hand. I did this for that she man and the whole fan.
I got everything, but I just really want to hold hand with my own man on wedding day. While we slow dance, but I had a love. Shot him in his heart, ain't got no chance, so I can't sleep sound yet. Bullets on the ground yet. Swear to God I traded all these riches to get Ronnie back. Swear to God I traded all these riches to get Terry back. I'm hanging out with my daddy lost flight, and I'm aware of that. You ain't told me how to fight, you get shot. I talk about that shit every night. And got a block.
I was hot, but I ain't stopped.
I'm feeling from out of stock and winning now.
She was living PSA and
ain't nobody kick us out.
She in the short titty break, cause I'm not trying to dig it out.
Like you know I did this shit for you. Never start to tear back. Feel like I'm missing you.
When I catch a nigga that did this to you, it can't send to you. Skipping school, daddy dead, fuck the prison boo. She think I'm missing screws, but really I'm just missing you. My homie dad gon' pick us up. I want you to give me two. I was kinda mad.
Thank you so much, Rebel. You telling them I live the ghost, I think of you. Carly, thank you.
I think about being make me ooh. Money rule the world, but you can't pay God with it. I spend it all just to get back mine.
I know you're proud of me, but all the shit I prevail, they only see you see. Make sure the family eat well, I give them what they need. I thought we always be well, I told bro to change the way. I'm praying he don't see jail, to live another day. I'm praying I don't see hell. Ain't no telling what I do for my family, just know I mean well. I know you ain't next to me, no you ain't next to me, but I'm hoping you can see, I'm praying you can see.
Say like what the dog said. Bumbo clutch.
Yo, Father, rise. Fighting for all of life. All our choices not right, cause we're not perfect, our jobs are with the crimes.
You can call it sacrifice. Man just want to see mama nice.
But I'm gonna ask the kids them not to get up. If life is a fucking paradise, man with a love I can't drive. Yo, that shows that I'm a size.
I judge our shows us how we do it now. Watch the eye bro, but we still have to survive.
JPS just cut the light off. We don't want to fight.
My future
China right off. Life just a ask me to show my
Anna Ben, bless up. You are.
Still strong.
Right. Man swear for my life
Whenever we go for the rough days we still stay strong. Still stay strong. I'm swear for my life whenever we go for the rough days Big do you to make a change. Some used to wish to move my peeps them out the ghetto. Every youth for rich.
Another night without the food and me used to this.
And me a fight and me no lose, but me no used to this. Now me, whenever they find the money, cool with it. Say to God me must buy a house with a pool in it. Jai, if you're not busy, give me a few minutes. Protect me head, but me gun me not fi move with it. Cause my band me never band, me go smooth with it.
My uncle gone and them a say me grave them
So dig it. More time we couldn't find lunch money. Then I'm not sure when school finish, we still stay strong.
What wanna say me ladies? Sheesh, thank you so much.
Yo, Father,
Melanin, thank you.
fighting for all our life.
Team 11K. Me a beg my team help me with a 11K, yeah, please.
You can call it
I
sacrifice.
want 11K, my ladies.
Man just wants
Me a begging you some help, please. All I ask the kids them in the ghetto if
life is a fucking paradise. Man with a love I can't drive. Just shows them the size.
Shanice, thank you.
Now watch it, we still have to survive. JPS just cut the light off.
And I know one and I'm fight.
My future the right off. That's just an answer to show my mind. We still stay strong.
weak out when the rough days on.
We still stay strong.
Thank you so much, my lady. Man, swear for my life, me never weak out when the rough days on. Chat. Big too young to make a change, so we used to wish. We move the pigs them out the ghetto, every used to rich. Another night without the food, chat me used to this. And we a fight and we not lose, but we not new to this. And when I'm going to find the money, cool with it, swear to God, me must buy a house with a pool in it.
Just when I'm busy, give me a few minutes. Protect me, I'm not me have to move with it.
I'm out my band with a bar, with good spoon in it.
My friend them gone and them a say me hear them soon dig it. More time we could find lunch money. In a no sure when school finish we still stay strong. Still stay strong.
Man, swear for my life, sheesh. Thank you.
Still stay strong. I still come alive whenever we come to the rough days on you. We still stay strong.
Chat.
Still stay strong.
They always want to reach a level of more.
I still come alive whenever we come to
And everything, it start from a starting till it grow. I made a talk to you earlier, say, you know why I'm there where I'm there right now? Because I never give up charging. All when the time I rough charging, I never give up. You know what I ask Father God for? Because the Father God always telling us, say, you see, for as long as you know I work, we help you. You see, help those who help them fucking self. And you know when me beg Father God for charging? You chat? One thing me beg Father God for in this earth, yeah. I tell you, one fucking thing me beg Father God for. That's what I say, I tell you no me beg Father God for.
All we need is just a chance. Yeah. Show them what we can do. Ooh.
One team I got you here.
You're the get the grind, you're the pressure high.
Not a mother ball, not a stretch of fly. Mother ball, not a stretch of fly.
Yeah. You're the rough, but the
a bedtime story, no lullaby.
rain on the field, and I know the days and I mean.
If I'm not bad in a way, me no need love me honor you. And I am savior for real.
Couple of my dog, they are jail and a squeal. They did not go real out on the mountain field. So they want, and I know the days and I mean. If I'm not giant, I'm
way, me no need love me honor you.
Mama, you
listen. Couple of my dog, they are jail and a squeal.
They did not go real.
Big up my dog, them in a penitentiary, yeah?
Count on my fire at the shield full of pain free. Couple of my dog, they are jail and a squeal. They did not go real out on the mountain field. So they want to count on the fire at the shield full of pain from a past.
Big up my dog, them within a penitentiary. And I have a question anything, but I don't want to bro, got to. Yeah? You must come a road, my dog. Morning, J. Road is a must this year, my dog.
All we need is just a chance.
Big up my dog, them.
To show them what we can do. Bubble yourself, dry your face for the tears. Bubble your belt, tie your lips for the fears. It's you making out.
It's you making out here.
Bubble yourself,
TT! Team 1, 8K. I just a new beginning. Never change my circle, show me winning. Did I shake my company and we will live it. And top me money on my belly, man, I need to kill it. A man of from Kingdom, I go hard to fish it. Half a mother from your 15, and the food me bring it. A case, man, it is the happy that's a mood we live in. No one move we living, fuck with it, I do with the chat. No move we rhythm, we think them different from the start. We put me out in every tune we singing. You them powerful like God a walk. Couldn't shop me can't dance for show me with it. I just shine the light through the giving. Don't worry yourself, try your face for the tears. Buckle your belt and your lace for the fears. It's true making up. But what up, my team?
It's true making up, dear.
Don't worry yourself, try your face for the tears.
Buckle your belt and your lace for the fears. I want to go do me one stepping up. It's true. Who me know why it's true making up, dear.
First CD when me burn. First real G when me earn. From this street when me learn. Say, dog kill dog, yeah me hurt. Me not get nobody mercy, the clip I carry 30. Me a tell you say me have it, you know if it's search. The clip I carry 30. Me a tell you say me have it, you know if it's search me. Everybody break, go to very hard. So me know it's your blood, you no can't first me. Never go there. We joke with people. But what up your life, them team? Then Galaxy. How we do it, my team? How we do it? Yo, Alice, we used to take the bus long before me get the bus.
Locked up on my bed and you can't drop me up and make it fuss. When you want me ready, no people that get me trust. What up, we make it us, we soon dance and make we just shine like a diamond, cause I'm on the make for us. Genesis next to this, me firm, me never take me tough. Journey start, I get me stuff, me like movie and take me puff. I step, me make no bluff, my mother never get no cuff. Buckle yourself, drop your feet for the tears. Buckle your belt and your legs for the fears. It's true making up. It's true making up, dear. Buckle yourself, drop your feet for the tears. Buckle your belt and your legs for the fears. I'm a little juvenile, one stepping up. Who me know why it's true making up, dear. It's true making up. It's true making up, dear. One side forever, yeah. It's true making up.
You got a good day. I need to stop.
Oh, what up your life, lady?
Beats give you a close 24 hours non-stop freshening.
Hey, God, man. I may never walk alone. God is always in control. And in all the things I do, you're perfect. And the blessings coming soon. I can feel it in my bone. I was young, but now I'm grown. Never you lose the faith. Never you lose the way. Cause I jagga it down.
So
Every move go through the gate. From the people born, me know me great. And I jagga it.
tell you. When me say that, let me tell you no this. I forget the boss me team, you know why shit. Them a go flex, them know they bless, them see the success. Them see the shirt, them see the pants, but me not done press. Them try up, yeah, them try. Them a be select that thing. Me a be the who me and them father shit. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. You can't see me come here too clean. Ever ramp with me.
Just as I realize that's about it.
Yo, my team, the man will flex them. Yo, team want to dig up shit in I chat. Let's see the pants up with that done flex. Them try, but them try, but we can come next. We are making a woman, we are here, Father. Let me see the haters a go. Father, protect the soul. Can't see me come here too clean. Can't see me come here too clean. Come here too clean. Yeah, too clean. So suppose that I take for your life, but I want to see another you rise. Them don't take a cake every slice, and I want to team, I got you. But my life that we can't identify. Now one I me and one side. Watch them laugh. True mankind, them a take me soft. I find them out, that's when they cut them off. I gotta kill them the biz, and then I'm taking the dark. And then my ship in the deep, but when I pray for me, blessings got shot. Find them out, that's when they cut them off. I gotta kill them the biz, and then I'm taking the dark. And then my ship in the deep, but when I wood when it dark, you see me get the start, and you never make a come. Answer my prayers. This me up, me I beg you, over me I am Father. When we see the year, cause I'm home. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect me soul. Yes, I become almost reach 800 subscribers. What you do today? What go on, Mr. M? Where you say, my friend? Me rise up it, me maki and shut off if I see them. Yeah, deal it.
What's a fussy, sir?
What's a fussy? A punk ass nigga.
Interesting. Interesting.
Mr. M, you go like you're a Jamaican, you know, man. You know anything them in the room. You originally hard man, you know, Mr. M.
What, here now, Mr. Boss? Or live, Mr. Boss? Here or live, Mr. Boss? So what we doing?
I pray.
I'm not battling. Someone wants to come up. I don't know. I don't want to get in the middle of. I don't know if you speak to them or not. Who don't you speak to?
Me everybody good, but I would that. No, you're not fine, nobody. Sorry.
Okay, 1 second. Here he is now.
Sorry, man, I don't hear nobody, you know. Boy, I can't, but we're not contention right now. Remember my salt like a Elsha beach. For what I feel like them team. For what I feel like them. Yeah, that's when I try this off our team. One thing we do, hear me team? Member go, you see it?
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith. Unchangeable, Lord unchangeable.
Chat.
Hey, no matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a pro.
Listen, bro.
Life is a journey, it's a long race. Mama said, son, be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take off the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to
listen, Charlie.
I love to meet people that me embrace. The truth and the truth, so me take off the broom and start sweep
listen
the
that part there.
all these ways
listen.
they got to get erased. I love to meet people that me embrace. The truth and the truth and that can't erase. So help to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight. Got to be ready. Just start getting ready. I said, don't you worry. I'm in a hurry. Lord, we got to be ready. Just start getting ready. So we
strong. Have faith in God. Me no know about man, no time. Long time them a try bring me down, and I just know from me very young. Chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a be man telling them go. Living up now, we put up a fight. We got to be ready. Just stop celebrating. I said, don't you worry. I'm in a hurry, love me not to be ready. Stop celebrating. That is it, my team. One team I got you. One team I got you. One team I got you, yeah?
Brunswick tuna. Perfect for snacking on a cracker.
We not to trust people, you know. We tell you that. We not trust people, my team. That's why we stick to a team and we stick to ourselves. You see? One nation boss. Member good, my team. You see it? Tell them, ladies. When you see me, I'm so looking like the last year. When I last me, just looking at my thoughts. And I breathe some things that people do me not the past. Now act like say I'm perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before the COVID thing, enough of them out wear a mask, bro. Watch them kill you guys and try go around the boss, yeah. Loyalty come with a class and I feel like you know I love me on the heart. But anytime you want to big my God, then we take you feel a fool, Big up yourself, man, sharing it. Holy pal of man, my team. When you see me, I still looking like the last year. When I last me, just looking at my thoughts. I bring some things that people do me not the past. Now act like so perfect, everybody have them flaws. And before the COVID thing, enough of them out wear a mask, yeah. Watch them kill me, as them try go round the boss, yeah. Loyalty come with a class and I feel like you know I love me on me heart. But anytime you have to big my God, then we take you for a fool, This is why we not like humans. This is why we not like humans. Oh no, I'm not to trust no girl. Remember what you do, man. This is why we not like humans. This is why we not like humans. Oh no, yeah. Now the people them must find me as a piece, yeah. Like the one who forget all the memories. We forget but not forget what I'm a father must have praise. Only thing my beg your father protect me from enemies, alright. Always from my kills and my ways. Enough time me get lonely but company got the legs. That is it, my ladies. When they get high up by the trees. Anisha says she feel it all the way across the seas. It's a natural mystic blowing through the
But do me here one do. We can't get the money today. Do me here. Oh, me and go every bar.
From all of them, I want you to think me will move on the house, so me don't need nobody all again. My people, look at my friend, I want to sing me on. Father, please, if me ever fall, I guess if you help me, I'm gonna make me walk again. Me don't need to do them nothing at all. So you say you're right off in the can. Father, please, you never know. You wanna real love friends from force. You don't need to pretend as you must. Come to believe in them and show. When me in the street on the road, hey Father God, let go me and you a friend. Let me and you raise up, Father God. Father, fuck me like nobody no love me. But you live in a place that would have run away. They don't know the place and got something we just see like. People are falling. But I'm not going to get a shit of me. When you put the bar up there, we just can't know me. I love me, I just say. I sacrifice. See who wants them on these guys, them on me, get them alive. Just a whole of vibe, my ladies. We just a whole of vibe, my ladies. Hey. Power tap your life, them team. Power tap your life.
Just what brought you here?
When I enjoy vibe. I enjoy vibe. Eh?
Do you wanna? Sure. Do you wanna?
Power tap your life then, my ladies. You can support your life same way, team, because you know so we never stop pushing it same way, my team. You can support your life same way, my team. I really appreciate of it, my team. Your wife moves like a wifey. Just like I say, at work vibing, man, I'm going to chew out some juice, my ladies. The vibe's right, my ladies. The vibe's right. Wife, I move like a wife, so. Wife, I move like a wife, so. In short, be honest. We are great youth, man. We are great youth, my team, and nobody can stop it.
Me have many flaws before the grind. I 7'5", how many eyes? Hey, me have many flaws before the grind. I 7'5", how many rise? Many rise.
Shot, we can't give up, dog. Legends never die. The name of voice that means I'm still alive. Every day, me, I never lie. Who that know that constant play about suicide? I got a pain and fucking eyes. Anyway, me go me talking high. It can't go there for the 39. My story, I'm soul and strength in my mind. Right now. Thank God me get a second chance, so me look at life. I suppose I'm not up to people, but you're fine. Traumatized and paranoid. If you sipping on your blood, you're flying. Me have many flaws, but for the grind, I 7'5", how many eyes? Who no like me? You see what my sister name say? I need no feel like never release the beast this time. Since me can't get a peace of mind, me and the ups and police are fighting. Them no want for the music, me have the cane at the passenger seat. Stop on the mama. It's not the same, baby, feel like you know the feeling get numb now. Cause then when you see me, I'll guns out. Me know I like a bitch, I have to burn down. Me keep my guard up and I come down. You're like a fire in the table, still my thoughts come round. Me say like but me no missing out. But you have the way for the new squad. Them love the flow but can't catch it all. I can't. Thank God me have a second chance, so me look at life. Price of powers and me know thanks to the people in my prayer. Trauma got me damage and me traumatized and paranoid. Thank you so much, my sister.
Wow, Sherman Ultra Smooth there is so much.
So you see, when they think them a fight you and we are with away. Think again. All who think them a fight and we are going with away. Tell them think again, cause you know why? They can't keep a good man down. All the people the officers asking for a search.
They found no weapon, just only a driver.
That's what.
I'm so sorry, does a rock. They just can't stop me now.
Forward up!
Even when they
Set their traps, they just can't stop me now. Listen to it. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now.
when they come with the people that stop,
I just listen to they talk.
I used to like it to my dog. He got them dead on my phone. They fight me with
Forward up the team, solid as a fucking rock material, man. Give it.
he got every bone. So sorry, does a rock. They just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that.
I be honest with you,
Can't stop me now.
none of this never easy.
Even when they set
All of this never easy.
they just can't
90% of them they are with me from the start and the journey. You see what me I say? No, they are with me from the start. I don't know that. I know that material. I want to see where you go through, bro. I never complain, I just take everything with a smile. And push, and guess what? It's not an easy road. I really see my hand in it, that's what they think I better know. Who feels the nose? Ooh, Lord, help me sustain these blows. It's not an easy road. I really see the grammar and the data, so them think I better roads. They say, who feels the nose? Every country have life in it, every engine. You said no, say it's not an easy road. And when you see the glamour and the glitter, so them think of better roads. It's there.
Unlock your stay for less.
Unlock your stay today.
Download the free booking.com app today.
Well, Selassie, I protect his children, keep them from falling.
Was it man, son? They believe me, man. There isn't for me to fall.
Oh, God, gonna make me stronger.
R.I.P. to G.
There isn't for me to fall. Oh, God, gonna make me higher.
You will never see me by the streets I making bread.
The blood me with a roof over my head. Just keep focused.
I said, the purpose stronger. They don't really know me. Would I show me? As the day go by, meditation turns everything for me to fall. Oh, God, gonna rise me again. They're wishing for me to fall. Oh, God, gonna rise me stronger.
I just like to do the best thing I can do. The wicked don't got
that they not like me too.
Fear just alone. That's all lesson.
That they not like me too.
Fear just alone. That's all.
Sorry, my ladies.
That's all lesson. Get me.
Well, man, a king in a earth. Just remember when they bring them try to fling in a dirt. Go leave a pain in a me heart, sweating on me shirt. Long before me start the chart, everything did I work. When it now, sir. Man, a king in a earth. Yeah, me never jump the car, the whole city alert. Long before me start the millions, they'll pick me a flirt.
You know why me tell you?
Life is a mystery, you just be brave. Fuck them history, we are not slave. We are short freedom, thinking them not the cave and the queen them. Go up and turn a better page. Yeah, me know poverty, make we full of rage. But me have to wise up and take a stage. 12 years old I travel with a 12 gauge. Him mother still a suffer cause I'm minimum. We love it every go I go, this is the areas. Watch them and look up the man to celebrate. So you do solid enough we embrace. So when they say,
alright. Ladies, they have a jump off for the life. 2:42. So me I take on 10 minutes so don't know for China. Please and thanks. Me I come off 2:30. So me I beg on 10 minutes so don't know for China. Please and me thanks. But what up your life, my ladies?
Girl, me love you, fuck you, this is not a secret. You never seen it out and me chop a sleep. Your pussy must be boots fast like a cheap grip. Breast the full and I play one fuck your till then. Pussy wet the devil when no grab another sheet set. Rep it out like me give my boom boom feet. If me come in like a wedding, girl, you better keep it. So me push it in, and so she take a deep breath. Bruise up and can't babe your pussy burning. Me alone fi fuck you, should I know you from your virgin. Finger yourself like what you do your thing. Sit down on the throne, come be a young king. All on there. You don't see you put a all on me. If you don't see that, then you're blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We don't put a me and me say all on there. You don't see you put a all on me. If you don't see that, then you're blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We don't put a me up. You see the gold where you give me. The gold where you give me. When you say this and it don't like me, now say you're finished. Me want to rip off the jazz when me see ya. Emotion just a flow when I see me type up. Your pussy not stretch out and not bingy. Fat piece of kitty that pink and pretty. Oh, me love it when you sing on the dick. Yeah, me no nicky. Me have to tell you all on them. You don't see you put a all on me. If you don't see that then you blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We don't fuck and we don't come and me say all on them. You don't see you put a all on me. If you don't see that then you blind. Love it when you tell me say you're mine. We are fuck and we are. Girl, me love it fuck you, this is not a secret. You never seen it out and me chop and sleep it. Your pussy busty boots fast like a chicken. Breast the fuck full of life, me want fuck you till then. Pussy with the baby, we gon' grab another sheet then. Rough it out like the car, boom boom feet then. If me come in.
Please and thanks. We always a cuss and we always a fight. But I guess We try love and it no work behind the pretty smile. Me see the earth, me know me dish a dirt. Me there yourself, feel if you up, not how feel if you skirt. Would I be a fucking world on fire through the universe? I just said that for just tell you this. I just said that for tell you this, babes. Easy, you know? I just said that for tell you this. You see it? I just talk what we are going with from when. I will just get them to this guy. I'm not let you go again. No argument. I wish I'm planting. When we see them, we see us, me and stay. So much of them call them all gonna chat it. You see, all on my stay, son. I'm gonna start using my tongue and stay, son, and start rub from in your ears. And kiss up your face and use my tongue and stay, so boom, and start massage your neck. And then I take it from your neck and hold your throat and start kiss up your body. You know where I start go to next?
Refreshment, be my biggest friend. Yeah, when me have a boy in a flow. No right, no so smooth, no pass, no head. So repeat me, fetch the people. Serious. So she got the buzzer from the pussy wet. Empty out the clip, you know the rest. Let me get ride it.
Slide them on, pattern. Get me with fashion. Hey, love it, grimy. Girl, fuck me the best. To that girl that give the best head. If you want somebody to run you, you got to tell me I'll be the man she have to run to. Good as nothing, I feel I did it. You know what that is, I said it more than I was with it. Exceptional, pussy sanctified. Good fuck me one year, make you fantasize, yeah. So you know have to be forever, make your pussy work more than I tell you, make me feel it. Sexy girl with the good underneath. Ruffle the cup and the fancy shade. Freaky girl, look at me, kick me up. You see me, I'm going in the other. My body just like this, I get your hair though. Your body calling fire. If you nobody want your life, I tell you the truth, babe. Let me tell you something, yeah, you are on this. But she's one of us like a junkie. I mean, nah, it's shit for your drugs. Yo, me, I'll be honest with you. I want you to come up here and smile up about people will be in a real life. You see me I say? So yes, when me in a bed, me go fuck you like a bad people for real.
Charmin Ultra
You see it? No, me not run no joke, but me fuck you like a bad people. Now what I'm saying, go smile out pretty demeanor them some of them. You see it? We are bad people for real. And when we are fucking like a bad people. Don't fuck up. So she think up and she get more. And even if she have a hand so what if one day remember how we used to flex on the way? What kind of love me here? Let me give her top loving. When I come to see her this time, but one day you're still around, so I move on time. And me I say I want to your phone, can't get up on your line. Let me stay so. Can't tell me say that you don't run by your mind. Yeah, what you deal with the G, so me have to say jaja. That's all not in your mother. Say me have to say no, cause this is report me about me no mother. Girl, you have a pussy like no other. What you wanna? Wanna stay away? When you know say nobody no fuck you like a me. Me and your landlord and me possess over me property. I watch pussy like dog. When them did make a raid, me give you a gun for put down and you lock it and you never afraid. So me no wonder if you still around, so you move out time. Let me say I want to your phone now, get up on your line. I mean, if you bump on the body, you know me run. She chatting and you make me run. Yeah, tell me say, I mean all lie. You see girl them will look good over here. As much as them talk about my ladies, them a big old man. I be a hot girl over here. That's all me know. Be a hot girl. Me nah ask so no. They're independent and they got their bread. Every girl over here have them money. So you know what style you think again. You know why? Baby, girl, you just a drive my crazy so I'm just say one piece of hotness. Baby, the NC I hit tell you where you know. And she a move like a rabbit. Let me take you on a rabbit. Oh, real hot girl me give I'm a via pocket till you climax, yeah. Naturality and she not ordinary. My type of girl light up the world. Listen. Knock it up again. We love you when you're done that way. You're sure you're not from above me? You see from the first day. It took me a year that to stay there. You know me and I chat him out though. You know me and I informer though. Bad to bad. You know me and I informer though. You know that though. Me love it when you done that way. You sure you know me and I informer though. Give me pussy for the first day. It took me and you that I stay. At you, I like a bird. Now the mix is good when I take you on show. And you be a free. This is what we want. Take time now. But we love you just like baby. You know the sunshine and the places of iron. So when I give me the practice, come and we take you on a ride like the rodeo. I make you move into the bass like baby. And you see I hit that then I'm heavy down iron. And she a move like a goddess. When we take you on a ride. When you a drive and crazy pull over. Me pick your body then me want get a hold and then talk to me. When me say my shoulder, skin clean and your shape like the Coca-Cola. Say I cool, guess what my heart cold. I know your eyes and I deal with it like a dozer. So never ask me. Make you feel like summer. Now I deep cut and you a leave front runner. So then you jack it up, position. Why? Anytime you body the way have a good time. Tell me where you take a take. Me no see nobody yet. We could have been change me mind. Oh. Like a hurricane. Let's see if the girl them we have bought me out when I say the girl them forget money. When you have you see girl them we have bought me out cause me I tell them to say woman if we get money. So cool them. Girl them forget money. I mean I want to hear otherwise. You see it? Stuff in a them purse before you stuff cock in a them jaws. Take it up. What me sell you this?
Baby, just know this boy, you get everything you like.
Long as you are right, then me alright. Me know your mother son me like you. Do what we mother like. Plus your bump off the proper size. You want it up me left behind you.
Slap it up, recognize. Snap a random picture, she pretty pan inside. Why you skin clean, thick lines. Blush your brain, so me
Listen, tell them sexy channel. We dash your money one girl every day.
Them kiss them feet and pick up every dime. But me nah know. This is something in you. I'ma feel me if you follow me mind.
Right now, a good man is hard to find. Them say them love you, then turn on and give you that a shine. But baby, that on you. Cause any man you get the fuck up here and you. Well, spoil you.
But we are the things friend from see the first time. One fuck you since then, Jano.
Keep tight dress,
I've been a suspense. Me that mash up if you tell me say we fi be just friends, Jano. Really want to be the one to make you happy, give you your
rest. Travel the world, who can stop with no one. Mother rate me, brother, sister, everybody. But the father don't like me, cause him here, she call me daddy, oh well.
Spoil you, get you anything you like. Long as you're right, tell me you're right. You know your man, that's what I like. You to a woman I like, that's right. Just him on love, the proper sign, so I keep up with it. Just for us, yeah, bye-bye. Snap her on my picture, she pretty pan in the side. Come and swallow you, real man in your life. You know she bad, so me never choice. Why?
Glow my baby. Good man in your life, I need to show my baby.
Well, if my plans me up for you, my baby. Until me get the first ball, now you're my baby. All that, yeah, she all that. And she keep me calm, so we never go out track. More than
why,
ever,
yes.
I don't know if you call that. I mean, no see none of me ex when me would have
why,
won.
yes, and all that.
Oh, yeah, better yet what you love. Too pretty fit and in the house, go.
How you get that? Babe, no one ask you something. Your mother christen your pum pum before she christen you? No, for true. To that girl out there, your mother christen your pum pum before she christen you. I just want to know. No, for true, I just want to know. Cause me not lie. Babes. Jesus Christ, babes. I just want to ask you a small question, baby, eh?
Your pussy coming like Bible. When it open up, pussy heaven. You put on the bless, my angel. Loving you like Rachel. Your pussy coming like Bible. I'm about to love some great sex. From your mountain now, that's still a bless. Never forget that the eight steps. You have the effortless boom boom. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. The effortless boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. The effortless boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. The effortless boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you.
Hey, thick girl!
I say you're giving me a boy here.
Tell the thickers there.
Squeeze up my body, what a birthday. Give me a piece of heaven when that's her ear lift. Your last man make your earth hear this. If your heart look already, me a first aid kit. Come in at me house, gal a burn this. This baby, you're not afraid, call me burn rapist. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. The ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. The ever blessed boom boom.
5 hours from this is what?
The ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like
5 hours from this is what? Eh? 5 hours from now is what? And what you call 7:49? Indy? What time of day we are gonna fuck Indy? Ladies, what time of the day we are gonna fuck? That one if I talk about my
I have to approach the ladies like a gentleman. Girl, good night, night. Me wish you was the good night, night. Your breasts look pleasantly nice, nice. Your pussy look fat in your eyes, like if you baby me girl, me fuck you every day, every night, night. Your breasts look pleasantly nice.
Listen.
The only one me darling. Ping me black baby when your pussy calling. Late at the night or in the morning. You say you want the thing, the brother steady yarning. If him come first, that mean you can't win. If you fuck on the board, them can't say your spin. Please and thanks me fuck me asking. Me will make your pussy jump like it the car spring. Lady, now you really have a spoons for swing. Good night, my lady. The two titty them.
May I be honest with you? May I be honest with you? Me a man. Me nah go lie. Me as a man, me have to talk truth. Yes, what me a say. And ladies, when you no meet on a soulmate, you no meet on a soulmate, and you can't go around it. You have to just say it when you no meet them. Yes, what me a say. Better not just say it. You see it? You can't there wait. You see it? You have to make your voice be heard and make people know. You see it? You have to make people know. You know what I'm posting? I girl, what you do?
Best pussy.
No, y'all be fuck, but me not tell you no lie. You me say. Never see you get it when the love song. Me love you, my lady. This how when me love you. In the street, you want me wifey, but in the bedroom, you are my bitch. And you want me say pick up, she cock it up. My mother say I'm you don't know what is up. She love me so much, but listen this now. Me never see a girl who me love so much. When you meet your soulmate, you just meet your soulmate. You know what I say that? She turned me on. She just get up your pussy, me a coming back. She gave up for the cocky, she not ready for me so. She done with the bed sheets and up on the ground. Me never get a girl we can fuck so. And me never want a girl we can fuck so. We fucking on the phone move. Well, if we did you well, in the church, getting a spirit. In the studio, me fans and a city. If you can just be a son of life, you know live. Anyway, me say she cock it up.
Alright, then watch out now. You see in a real life, me I go see if you really have sense. So after summer, I wish other season we can fucking again. Cause you don't know, no found a foreign woman. So after you don't come collect on no fucking in summer, wish other season no want fucking again. Eh? That enough to tell me, you know come at Jamaica Christmas. You know come here December for no cocky.
Honey bunch, never feel butterfly on my belly.
Don't panic, don't panic, never lose your love like Titanic.
Every day, in on the rose, rub me down.
Majestic all season.
Make you proud, that me say, me not gonna make you hold on your head.
Alright, wait.
I must say Christmas past me the gift now. And me fit tell you it's sweet like a kiss though.
Me skin pretty so damn must a kiss now. Me be never this if you gone so me miss you.
Me never get a man when me want keep so.
You don't mean it, go on you a mix up.
Come put a kiss for me neck with your lips up.
Come let me put it on baby.
Me know make you love me. I'm a pretty, I'm a nice, I'm a lovely.
Don't play with me heart and broke it.
This a love you take off like rocket.
My mama never give you nothing with your auntie.
Me believe you me dear cause she ugly.
And you want the team where you hold me.
My baby, my weak to your honey.
Me love put it on
When
you.
we touch me see sleet and snow.
When we approach me see bright pepper light.
When we touch me I hear jingle bell.
So when that coming like, when we approach it coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. When we approach it coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. You said you love me so.
Me know if you just pack up the dumper truck.
When you drive it out you look.
Nah, broke on no bad. A time. So we go forward back later, my ladies. And we are going to wrap you up better. You see what I say? Thank you so much, all my ladies, all my teams. But come on, come give me a support on the life. I know bro love you. I know nephew love you. I know son love you. I know the thing. So we are far down back like 8 o'clock. That was awesome, my team. I don't know how far over here. Come all full vibes. Blessings and love. Jesse, nah, give up though. Alright, Jesse, we are going to tell you. But Jesse, me can't tell him, man, that Jesse, your badge freeze, man, at 25. Jesse, man, him not go believe, say, your badge freeze at 25, Jesse. Alright, then. Him not hear me. Him don't know, say, your badge somebody at 25. So when him come, you know, you understand me? You have to light up your badge. I mean, I say light you up with a rose, you know. That is it, team. Me have 774 sub. Thank you so much, my ladies. Me I come back later, team, to get some more sub. Thank you so much. From 720 at this I come from. I get about 50 sub. That's why I have to love, you know. Him for sale. No, him not for sale. But you can't. Me tell you. That come like say, me I tell you come look for the boy. And you're just like an old man. Bare old clothes. You see it? You have to look flamboyant. You see it? So your badge have to light up. When I come and I say, Jesse say hi, and him come here and say, him a say hi, him see all the 25 badge gone about 30 stay so. So what that say? No. So you see why I'm glad say I be a big woman over here? You see why I'm glad say I be a big woman over here? Cause your first thing is when me beg my girl them they say, they're so forward. You hear you? I'm young. Me how much? Me tell you. We how much? You're about 30 enough. For true, man. So I will a young girl in first? No, me not mean no way, no Jesse. Don't take this no way, no. Please, me I beg you. Don't take this no way. But boy, me team. Later. Me love you no. Big up on yourself. Boy, me love me big woman them. Boy, Jesse, rough. Rough. Jesse, me not have to go give Juicy fail boy then Jesse. You make Juicy fail Winnie boy. Juicy fail badge light up, you know. Jesus Christ, you make Juicy fail get a run for your much. Should you make Juicy fail get a run for your money? You have to come size up Juicy fail later. Alright, later my team can the two mix. You say, no, two mixy. Me not go stay here with you know. Me not go stay here with you. Alright then, later. Me say I don't mix up. Yeah.
Connections. Proverbs 3 verse 6. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your paths. I decree divine direction will deliver you from delay. You will not move in circles anymore. Every wrong path disguised as opportunity, may God close it before you waste time. Somebody shout, no more wasted years. Yes, say it again. No more wasted years. Melebahanta Koshabrandia Mendekosa. The Holy Ghost says, I am healing timelines. Years that you lost in confusion, months you wasted in tears, relationships you